Lord, one submission for 230.
230 ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ವೇಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ? ನಿಮ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟಾ? ಇರಿ. ಎಸ್, ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. Whenever you want.
My lords.
1 minute. Yes. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ. ವಿಡ್ರಾಯಲ್ ಇನ್ಯಾವ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ವಿಡ್ರಾಯಲ್ಸ್ ಬೋತ್.
My lords.
Settlement or withdrawal? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ? Wait. Now no submissions. Wait. Settlement ಕೊಡಿ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಇವತ್ತು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದು ತಗೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸಿ. ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟಾ ಕೊಡಿ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದು ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಎಸ್. ಓ, ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿದೆ ಆಗ್ಲೇ. ಮಂಡೇನೆ ಬರ್ಲಿ. ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಮಂಡೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಕಷ್ಟ. ಜುಡಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಮಂಡೇನೆ ಬರ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮಿಷ. ಈಗ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡಿ.
My lords, charge sheet was filed.
Give all the fresh matters.
Fresh matter, my lords. I am an advocate and judicial member of BJP team for this case. 3 FIRs have been filed against me for filing PA.
Fresh matter alva?
More FIR file ಮಾಡಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಂಡೇನೆ. ನಾಳೆ ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
Fresh matter, submission.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ವೆಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಯಾವಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
Vacating
Whenever
stay.
you have filed applications for vacating stay, please give. Madam, every day 10 or 12. Every day 10 or 12. Yes. That's Friday. All parted matters will come on Friday. Yes. Pending matters kodi all. Vacating stay hakidira? Vacating stay hakidira? ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ. ವೇಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ನೀವು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ತಾನೆ? ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್. ಮಂಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
My lord, one matter.
ಭರತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
My lord, fresh matter, my lord. Similar matter.
Give it, sir.
Similar matter stay this honorable court, my lord.
Give it.
Senior counsel also.
Fresh matter.
Yes, my lord.
Monday.
My lord, one matter for 230, my lord. My lord, This senior
matter.
counsel also engaged today.
ಹಂಗಾರೆ we will take ಅದು 3 weeks ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿ. ಅದು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ ಆಗಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು 3 weeks ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿ.
Sorry, ma'am.
Is that a ground of urgency? Once more senior counsel engage ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 ವಾರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ.
My lord, one matter for 230.
Sorry? That you should tell, not senior counsel. Yes, when is the date there?
19, my lord.
Not 19th June.
Right, take it tomorrow. Yes. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಿ. ಎಸ್. Reserved? Reserved in 24? Impossible. ಕೊಡಿ, ಅಂತದಾಗ ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಯ್ತು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ. Friday. It will come on Friday. For what? Advocate is misappropriated. No, 1 minute. Advocate is misappropriated. No urgency. Monday.
My lord.
Monday.
My lord, one matter for 2:30.
My lord.
Wait.
My lord, one matter.
Yes, Monday. ಕೊಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು 2:30. 30 ಸೋಮವಾರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ? ಯಾವ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ? ಎಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ನಿಮಗೆ NOC ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ. ನೋಡೋಣ, ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು. ಎಸ್, ನೋ ಡೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್. ಕೊಡಿ. ವಿಸಿಟಿಂಗ್, ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್. ಎಸ್.
Advocate who intended to appear for husband is implicated in a 498 matter.
ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್.
My lord, one
ನಾಳೆ.
Tomorrow.
My lord, one matter.
2:30 ಬೇಕಾ ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಬೇಕಾ? ನಾಳೆ.
My lord, one matter for 2:30. My lord, this is a matter where the police have interfered in a civil matter. It is a dispute between landlord and tenant. The only
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ?
Yes, my lord.
ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
It is, my lord, only allegation.
ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
No, my lord.
ಯಾಕೆ?
What has happened is civil matter
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ, ವೈ ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ?
My lord, it is a process, due abuse of process.
Maybe sir, why did you not take bail?
It is a 2-paragraph complaint. The only allegation in the complaint that
Why have you not secured bail?
That is matter
Take
that
bail
has to
and
be
come.
caused, my lord, because
Take bail and come.
my lord, one submission.
Take bail and come.
My lord, make one submission, my lord.
Why have you not applied for bail?
My lord, it is a matter where your lordship's consideration.
Whatever it is, why have you not applied for bail?
Paragraph complaint, my lord, where the only allegation is that I have sublet a
Maybe
portion of the premises.
I may state
Yes, my lord.
it's a cognizable offense.
Yes, my lord.
Why have you not taken
My
bail?
lord, I have my lord, what I.
Where is the
submit
bail
one-
application? You show me the bail that you have filed, then only I'll
My
interfere.
lord, I'll make one
Then
submission, my lord.
nothing doing.
2-paragraph
Yes.
complaint, only
No
allegation is
problem.
I have sublet
ಅದು
a
Monday
portion of the
ಹಾಕಿ.
property.
Monday.
My lord, may I request
No,
for-
2:30
at
Monday.
least for tomorrow, my lord.
No, Monday.
Lordship, my lord.
FR numbers ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಂಡೇನೇ ರೀ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಯಾವ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ. Give the memos. All of you please wait. Why are you in a hurry? ಮನೇಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ? ಇರಿ. Yes. And why are you standing there? Come this side. You men this side. Come this side. Yes. ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ. Give all the memos, sir. Pending matters ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ. Yes. Give it, sir. Sorry. ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ. NBW ಯಾಕೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಯಾಕೆ? ಮಂಡೇ. ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ? Give it, sir. We'll post all where cases. If it has come before me and I have not granted, I am not going to post it. Give it. We'll see. Yes. Not tomorrow. Next week. Withdrawal 2:30. Yes. ಆಯ್ತು, tomorrow withdrawal. Next. ಈಗ ಮೆಮೊ, ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಯಾವ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ. Give off all the memos, please. Give all the memos. All the memos. Whatever it is, all the no, all the memos, please give. Please give all the memos. Why?
The trial court ordered to not to leave the jurisdiction till the completion. FIR registered in the month of September 2025. Till not completed the investigation, please, my lord. I am the resident of Kerala, please, my lord. I have to stay in Chamarajanagar till the.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನೋಡೋಣ ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ.
Matter for 2:30, my lords.
ಕೊಡಿ ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
My lords.
My lord.
My lords.
ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅದು ಮಂಡೇ.
My lords, matter for 2:30.
Fresh matters ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. Tomorrow and day after ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ. Fresh matter ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. Pending, no date. Please give the memo.
There's one matter for 2.
No, nothing. Give it. KS exam ಬರೀಲಿ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ
There's
ಇಲ್ಲ.
one matter for 2:30.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
My lords, one matter for 2:30, my lords.
Second petition challenging the charge.
ಕೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಈಗೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಆಯ್ತು, ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
My lord, this second petition challenging the charge sheet, my lord.
Give it, sir.
My lord, 16 and during the pendency of.
My
Yes,
lord, the matter
memos
for-
kodi, give all the memos.
Matter for 230, my lord.
No 230, give it, yes. Vehicle release Monday ge kodi, yes.
My lords, petitioner is my lords
Give it.
87-year-old.
100 years ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ ಇನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿ, yes.
My lords, the
ಕೊಡಿ sir. Yes.
Just one
your
submission.
lordship may kindly have it next week.
Pending ಅಲ್ವಾ? Stay ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, my lords. Your
Stay ಇದೆ
lordship
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
please to grant stay, my lords.
Stay ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Over, my lords, I am
My
unable
lords,
to
the
alienate the
matter-
No
property.
problem. ಓ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಬೇಡ.
My lord, the matter for
Board ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಬೇಡ, yes.
230, my lords, because
ಯಾಕೆ?
my lords, Nelmangla police station has been harassing me, my lords.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, so ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ
It's a-
ತಗೋಬೇಕು
it's
ಅಂತ.
a- It's a
Nothing.
clear cut matter, it's a commercial dispute. my
ಏನ್
lords.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ,
They have
ಕೊಡಿ.
just colored it, my
No
lords.
230.
In fact, my lords, there is in a
No
previous,
230.
in previous order by this honorable.
There
court,
is
my
no
lords,
urgency
there
for
is-
230. Give it Monday.
498
My lords may kindly have it
matter is
tomorrow, my
settled,
lords.
ಯಾವಾಗ
My lords may
ಬೇಕು?
kindly have it
ನಾಳೆಗೆ.
tomorrow.
Settlement tomorrow.
Trial court is
PV
proceeding to
PV
frame
Act is
charges. In spite
When?
of
When?
showing that today trial court is
230.
saying that it's a partnership.
230, yes.
My lord, fresh matter, my lord.
ಕೊಡಿ.
Fresh matter, my lord.
My lords.
Monday ಎಲ್ಲ
230, my
fresh
lords.
matters ಎಲ್ಲ
I have
Monday.
Tomorrow, my lord, tomorrow.
No sir,
Fresh matter.
no sir,
The urgent matter.
no problem sir.
My lords, 230.
Give all the memos. 230 ಯಾಕೆ? No problem, no urgency, Monday. ಇಲ್ಲ 29th, ಯಾವತ್ ಬೇಕು? ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ. No problem sir, give it sir, give. 230 ಯಾಕೆ? ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೇಡಮ್?
Serial number 13 tag this
ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
petition along
ತೊಂದರೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಟಿಫೈ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೋಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್.
My lords,
ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಬೇಲ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ? ಕೊಡಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
230, my lord, 311 application was rejected.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಏನು?
ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ the judgment.
230, ಎಸ್.
my lords, matter.
case, however,
Stay ಇದೆಯಾ?
benefiting the
2027, come this side, yes. ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. Give it.
My lord,
Now stop, yes.
vacating stay, my lord.
Vacating stay applications ಏನಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
My lord, already ಮುಂಚೆನೂ memo move ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ 10 ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಾಕಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅನುಕೂಲಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕಂಗಲ್ಲ.
My lords, this is a NDPS matter, my lords. The
Give it.
petitioner is aged about 23 years and is a student, my lords.
NDPS ಅವರೇನೆ ಆಗೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ.
My
ಕೊಡಿ,
lords, it
ಅದೇನು
was
not
my
a
lords,
new
it's a
thing.
covered matter by your lordship, my
No
lords.
problem.
My lords, it's causing him severe hardship to
No
secure
problem, ಕೊಡಿ.
visa and like,
Stay ಇಲ್ವಾ?
there's a stay in the matter, my lords, my
Give it,
lords.
yes.
Please, my lords.
No,
It
no.
was filed during the pendency of criminal petition, my lords, and it was withdrawn and fresh petition was.
When do you want,
filed.
230 or tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
My lords,
Yes,
special.
tomorrow.
My lord, for recovery of money, instead of filing a suit, they have filed a FIR.
Fresh
my
matter?
lord. Yes, my lord.
Monday.
My lord, I have withdrawn. My lord, I have actually case is
was
filed
withdrawn.
on the.
Fresh matters ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ.
138 ನಾವು ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ charging of 138.
ಅದ್ರಿಂದ.
ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು and ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ಟೇ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ my lord, so because of
ಇನ್ನು
that
ಸ್ಟೇ ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಾ? ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ, ಎಸ್.
please my lord.
No.
Monday you can have it on
No,
Monday.
pending matter will come, yes.
230 my lord.
Why?
Only for withdrawal.
Withdrawal, give it, yes. ಆಯ್ತು, 230. ಕೊಡಿ, yes. Give it. Pending. Not heard is a different thing, yes. When? ಅದು ಮಂಡೇ 20th ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರೈಡೇಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಯಾವ್ದು GMRS? ಪಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ನೋಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
My lord, special.
ಕೊಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. Call the case.
Special court matter. My lord, special court matter.
Give it.
Petition seeking default bail.
ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? ನಿಮ್ನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
My lord, special
My
court
lords, in
case.
the same.
ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ದೆನ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾನ್.
Monday.
No decision on that, yes.
It's a contractual relationship that has turned sour.
Fresh
my lord.
matter.
Fresh matter.
My lord, that's fresh
My lord,
matter.
my lord, as a
Fresh ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಂಡೇಗೆ.
My lord, from fresh matter, my lord. Petitioner's daughter found hanged in her matrimonial house after consuming poison and also consuming glass pieces, my lord.
304B.
304B, but 302 is not included, my lord, because it was a murder. 3 days before this incident, my lord, she was thrown out of the matrimonial house and she was
You are
beaten.
you are for the complainant.
I'm for the complainant, my lord.
Investigation ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Investigation is closed, my lord, but investigation is not done properly, my
Correct,
lord.
give it.
Basic things are not added in the charge sheet, my lord.
You serve that copy on the SPP and SPP ಗೆ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
My lords, there's apprehension of arrest, my lords.
ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್?
Yes,
Why?
my lords. My lords.
69
Yes, my lords.
tomorrow.
My lords, fresh matter, my lords. This FIR was filed only as a counterblast to my complaint, my lords.
Monday.
My lord, special court
Fresh
matter
matter.
Monday.
SC
Special court Friday,
atrocity.
special court Friday.
Court is in admit.
ನಿಮ್ದೇನು?
Split up case ಇದು.
ಕೊಡಿ.
Your Lordship,
Friday,
SC
ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಹಾಕೊಂತ ಇದೀನಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
SC atrocities act, your
ನಾಳೆ.
Lordship.
My lord.
Tomorrow.
ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಸರ್? ಜುಡಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇತ್ತ ಮೆಮೋ ಮೇಲ? ಬರಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
My lord,
ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹಾ ಕೊಡಿ.
my lord, in the
Next Tuesday. Avinash, 2027 January. Who asked you to take a stay and indirectly help them? Yes.
my lord, in the very
ಇಲ್ಲ, I'll vacate the interim order.
my lord, in
Badala?
fact, in the very same dispute, my lord, the complainant had previously approached the Yeshwantpur police station, my lord. This honorable court has given a direction to the Yeshwantpur police station saying not to take any coercive steps, my lord. My lord, now, in fact, complainant has approached the Nelmangla police station, has filed an FIR, my lord. I'm being made to sit at the police station day in, day out, my lord.
2:30.
Please, my lord.
FR
Please, my lord.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಆದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ಏನು ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ದು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಿ, ಹಾಕಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
One matter which your lordship had directed for interim consideration, but it had come in B group, has been without date, my lord. Any
ಐ ವಿಲ್
date.
ಸಿ. ಏನ್ 7 ಏನ 13?
That's 13(1)B, my lord. Husband has died, my lord.
So?
Wife is now arrayed as an accused, my lord, because the husband died.
ಯಾವ್ದು 13(1)B ಅಲ್ಲ
13(1)B, disproportionate.
ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್. ಹಾ,
My lord, sir. List to serial number 75, my lord. Court had directed to be listed for fresh matters, my lord. It has come in B group, my lord.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ, ರೀಚ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತಾನೆ. ಸರಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ಎಸ್. ಹಾ, ಕಾಲ್ ದಿ ಕೇಸಸ್.
Serial number 50.
No adjournment, please. Yes. Direct or indirect, no adjournment. Yes.
Fresh matter, seal number 1.
Yes, Vaida madam. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದೇನಾ? Very good.
First list.
Fantastic. Yes. Fair. ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes.
SCC. What are you doing after 9 years?
My lord, sir,
10 years, sorry. ಯಾವಾಗ?
My lord, 7/1/2025, my lord.
25. What are you challenging?
The cognizance taken by the.
Dismiss ಆಗಿರೋ ಕೇಸ್ನ ನಾನೀಗ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ?
No, my lord, sir. It has
Seek
become
recalling, sir. Where is the recalling?
That CC 17106.
17106 ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಈಗ?
That is dismissed for non-prosecution.
How can I set aside an order proceeding that is already dismissed?
No, my lord.
Huh.
May not survive consideration.
ಅದನ್ನೇ the petitioner submits that the proceedings in 17106 is itself dismissed for non-prosecution. In that light, nothing further would survive.
My lord, liberty may be granted.
Reserving liberty to the petitioner to seek recalling of the said order, petition stands disposed.
Great.
Proxy counsel. Proxy. Case of proxy.
Evidence.
Yes, Meenakshi Bala, closed. Misappropriation on emergency to the first respondent.
I represent the petitioner.
Huh?
I represent the petitioner. Serial number
Yes,
4.
sir.
Milord.
Huh? Yes, sir.
Serial number 4, Milord.
ಹೌದು, serial number 4 sir.
I represent the petitioners, Milord.
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ
Sorry, Milord.
ಹಾ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, misappropriation. Anything else?
Milord, inquiry is conducted by the competent authorities.
Competent authority ಹೆಂಗ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್.
Lordship, we kindly see Annexure C, Milord.
No, sir.
Inquiry was conducted.
Emergent notice to the first respondent, second respondent HCGP. Next.
Please.
5.
I appear for petition.
The 498 A2 to A5 only stay, husband no stay. Evidence commence ಆಗಿದೆ.
Evidence commence.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Charges have not yet been framed.
ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ, ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು the interim order shall,
While it was
the
not
petitioner will have the benefit of the petitioners for whom the stay is granted will have the benefit of the interim order only if charges are not framed as on today. If charges are framed, the interim order would become inoperational and the proceedings would continue against all.
Because when I filed the petition, it was not there.
No, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ sir. Anyway, yes.
Promise to
Balakrishnan.
man. Your Lordship, the offences are 376 sub clause 2
ಮತ್ತೆ?
and 504 and 5.
Yes,
Your Lordship,
correct
the
ಆಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ.
classic case of
Classic ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
relationship
Classic
has
case
turned
of
sour, Your Lordships.
abuse.
Your Lordship, there's no abuse, Your Lordship.
no.
Your Lordship, kindly
petitioner
read the
We'll
page
dismiss
number.
it, madam. The petitioner is before the court calling in question the proceedings, charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಆಗಿದೆ.
Proceedings in so and so registered for offence punishable under section 376(2)(n) hyphen repeated rape 504 and 506 of the IPC. A perusal at the complaint or the summary of the charge sheet would clearly indicate that for over a year, the petitioner and the respondent complainant have had consensual relationship which was physical as well, which was consensual relationship. ಏನಂದೆ? Consensual relation which was physical as well. If further proceedings are permitted to continue, it would run foul of judgment of the apex court in the case of Dhruvaram Mudaliar Sonar 2019-18 SCC page 191. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings by the petitioner to the next date of hearing. Next. Attempt to murder, sir.
Attempt to murder.
Come after charge sheet. No ground of eager FIR. Investigation ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು.
After 1 month.
Maybe.
But there is no direct.
Investigation ಆಗ್ಲಿ. Attempt to murder li FIR stay ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Poisoned ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ.
Serious allegation.
After 1 month, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು recorded, but through Redmi phone. After recorded that phone, after he poisoned before.
Boiled.
Poisoned. ಅದು ವಿಷ ಹಾಕಿ ಪಾಯ್ಸನ್ ಹಾಕಿ 1 month ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲವರೆಗೂ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರ ಫೋನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 1 month ಆಫ್ ಡಿಲೇ he filed ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್.
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯ್ಸನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಪಾಯ್ಸನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅವಾಗ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅದೇ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪಾಯ್ಸನ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಫುಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಬಟ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಟ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ಫುಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯ್ಸನ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಫುಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮದ್ಯದ ಬಾಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ.
ಯಾವ ಬಾಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ?
ಮದ್ಯದ ಲಿಕ್ಕರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್.
ಅದೇ ಪಾಯ್ಸನ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ಸ್ಟಮಕ್
ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಇವಾಗ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು.
ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಓವರ್ ಪಾಯ್ಸನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಸ್, ಕಮ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್.
ಡಿಲೇ ಇದೆ 1 month.
The petitioner is before the court calling in question a registration of a crime in crime number so and so registered for offences punishable under so and so. The issue in the list revolves around the accused poisoning the victim in an attempt to kill the victim. The learned counsel submits that there is a delay of
A1 is poisoned, but is A2 is a paramour.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, paramour. ಓ, ಇಬ್ರು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Yes, no doubt about it. Anything else? So and so. The learned counsel submits that A1 has done performed the act of poisoning and not the accused number 2, the present petitioner, who is alleged paramour of accused number 1. Alleged paramour of accused number 1. They finding the matter to be investigated into in the teeth of the aforesaid offences. There can be no warrant of interference at this stage, reserving liberty to the petitioner to approach this court in the event the police would file their final report and the final report would go against the petitioner. Petition stands disposed. Attica gold
purchase. Attica.
Buying stolen gold. ಅದೇ ಇದು ಇದೇ ತರದ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿತ್ತು ಸೇಮ್. ಒನ್ HCGP ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ರಣ್ಣ. 1 HCGP 2 MR. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್. HCGP for the respondents. ಎಸ್, ಇದು ಇದೇ ನೇಮ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ, ಐ ಫರ್ಗಾಟ್. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ, he has filed about 5-6 cases every day ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ buying stolen gold.
That is the modus operandi.
That's what. ಅಂಡ್ ನಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನಂಗೆ ಏನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
ED is also now.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇವ್ರದೇನೆ. ಎಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
9.
ದಿ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಯಾವ ಮೂವಿ ಇದು?
ತಮಿಳ್ ಮೂವಿ ಮೇಲೆ
ತಮಿಳ್ ಮೂವಿ
ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್
ಅಂತ ಮೂವಿನ ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಆಗ್ಲೇ.
ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ
ಅದೇನ್ ನಡೆದಿದ್ದು ಒಂದೇ ದಿನ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರನಾ?
ಒಂದು 7 days ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು.
7 days ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್. ಮೂವಿ ಹೆಸರು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್.
ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 and 2 has granted stay.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಕೊಡಿ
ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಟ್ಯಾಗ್
7608 of 2024.
ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್
10.
ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ದೇ ಒಂದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ
One more petition is there, Your Lordship.
ಕೊಡಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
In arising out of the same crime number.
ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ
Please.
ಎಸ್
11.
ಕಲ್ಪನಾ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Yes, ma'am.
ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಚಿಟ್ಸ್
Chits, ಹೌದು.
ನೋ ವೇ.
ತಾವು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಮೇಲೆ.
No, 2016 crime 19 cc not at even otherwise merits ಮೇಲೆ not at all. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಒಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಡ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ತಾವು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ
these price chits, KPID, money lenders ಎಲ್ಲ
420 ಮತ್ತೆ KPID ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ
KPID ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಚಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಚಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋದೇನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾನಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ದಿರಾ ಇವರು ಚಿಟ್ ನಡೆಸ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
No madam, whatever it is, nothing.
Permission from the government.
ರಿಕವರಿ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್, ರಿಕವರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಸುಮೋಟೋ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ at all.
One HCGP alert sumoto sorry HCGP accepts notice to both the respondents. List on 9th July. No question of stay. Yes.
12.
A2 498. Yes, next. A2 ತಾನೆ?
Senior citizen. ತಾಯಿ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಬೇಡವಾ?
ಸ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕು.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೇನು? ನಾನು ನೀವು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡಿ ಅಂದಂಗ ಆಯ್ತು.
ನೀವು ಬೈತೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಲೀಫ್.
ಬೈತೀನಾ?
ನನ್ಗೆ ಬೈತೀರಾ ಯಾವತ್ತು?
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೈತೀರಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಮ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿನೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಅಂತ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು?
ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದೇ ನಾವು.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಹೇಳದ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. you're an advocate, not to tell whatever the client has told you. What is this?
Thank you. It's okay. Thank you.
Client will tell 1000 things.
Very my lords, ಸಂಗೀತ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ. Yes.
13. 420.
13.
420.
ಇದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಚಿಟ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್ 1 13 ಸುಮಿತ್ರಾ. 1 HCGP accepts notice of both the respondents. Next 14 Harsha ಅವರ. Who runs the chit fund?
Nobody runs the chit fund.
What nobody runs? Yes.
In fact, my lord, so far as the petitioner is concerned, Lord, the loan was, my lord, taken in the year 2022, what she says in the complaint. And my lord, the allegation is that, my lord, he runs a chit fund. Lord, there are no subscribers, my lord, to the chit fund. And nor, my lord, is any building that has been made.
No.
That, my lord, he runs the chit fund. There is no business chit fund, my lord, that is said in the complaint itself.
ಜಗದೀಶ್ ವಾಸವಾಗಿ ಚೀಟಿ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
That is what the complaint says, but
ಬೇರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ?
ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು 7 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ. ಅದು ಫಾರ್ ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಫ್ 8,55,000. ಚೀಟಿಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್, ಬಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. 8.5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಅಲ್ವಾ? And 7 years ago.
6.5 years ago, my lord.
ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂತು. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Yes. The meantime.
Please.
Yes.
15. Petition in this matter.
You want to withdraw?
No.
Then one accused 1, 2 and 3.
Yes.
Yes. See page 24. Idralli how will when interfere?
My lords, first
307 attempt to murder.
My lords, first I have filed a complaint. I am a rightful purchaser, my lords.
No
It is standing in my name. My FIR has been reported, my lords.
after which he has filed an FIR.
Case and counter case, huh?
Yes, my lords.
Allah, after which he has filed a date, heli? When did you file the complaint?
I filed on 21/8/2025, my lords.
21/8/2025. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು
On the very same day, the respondent number 2's father has filed one more FIR on it.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಾನೆ? ಕೇಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಕೇಸ್. ಒಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
There is one more FIR where the son has filed a FIR.
Now, investigating officers are different or same? Different. Correct ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. Different.
Yes.
Yes, madam. Case and counter case, different investigating officers ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
All cases.
Yes.
Your lordship is send it.
ಅಲ್ಲ, but check ಮಾಡಿ. Verified. Are you sure there are different investigating officers? Look into the records. If they are different, I will quash it straight away. Both the cases I will quash. List the matter on Monday in the fresh matters list. Look into the fact whether both the investigating officers in case and counter case are different or same.
Yes.
Because ಒಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಒಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. Right, yes, Monday, fresh matters.
Yes, much of. 16.
Yeah, for the petitioners, my lord.
Where is the interim order granted?
My lords.
Should you not file it along with the petition?
I'm so sorry.
ಕೊಡಿ. ನಾನು ಪೇಪರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು.
So sorry, my lords. I'm so sorry.
8465 ಅಲ್ಲ?
Correct, my lords.
864.
864.
Tag along with same order.
My lords. My lords, so that is withdrawn, my lords. CC ಆಗಿ withdrawn ಆಗಿದೆ.
CC ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೇಮ್ anyway in the meantime ಮಾಡಿ. Please.
Grateful.
I had already granted stay.
Correct, my lords.
Yes.
Correct.
Next.
Great.
17.
A seemingly civil dispute is sought to be dressed with a color of crime which is sans countenance, albeit prima facie. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings. Next.
18 possession of 22 liter of homemade.
Sir, one
wine.
ನಿಮಿಷ. ನೀವು homemade wine ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Homemade wine.
22,500 ಲೀಟರ್ ಹೋಮ್.
22 liter, 22.5 liter.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಮ್ ಮೇಡ್ ವೈನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
22 liter.
22 ನಾ ಅದು?
22.5 liter.
ಹೋಮ್ ಮೇಡ್ ವೈನ್.
ಹೌದು. And even the
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಮ್ ಮೇಡ್ ವೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು?
and even the FSL report says it is unfit for human consumption.
ಹೋಮ್ ಮೇಡ್ ವೈನ್ ಅನ್ಫಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ನಾ?
Decaying smell and
ಆ ತರ ವೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
residues.
ನೀವು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋರೇಟ್
it is actually
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು ವೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಡ ಅನ್ನಕ ವೋಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕ
ಅಲ್ಲ, it is actually a fruit juice, my lord.
Fruit juice
not be called as wine because
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಹೋಮ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅನ್ಫಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇರೋದು ವೋಟ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ. ಇದು ವೋಟ್ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಾನ ವೋಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾನ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, 22.5 liter ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
In the meantime, yes.
19.
Petitioner Salman's wife, children.
Correct, sir. A 9, 10 and 11. Yes, sir.
They,
ಏನ್ 498 ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು?
Allah, they put, they are party to the loan transaction. Lashmi, kindly see.
No problem, sir. One H. Go to page 52 to 54, sir. 54 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮ್ದು ಗುಣಗಾನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
Is a sale deed.
No problem.
The general power of attorney in the year 1990, my lord.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
Sale deed was made. My husband was the 5th purchaser, my lord. Recently, my lord, in this point, Honorable Apex Court has held that.
ಹೌದೌದು, ಆಮೇಲಿಂದ ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. Yes, yes.
That's clearly mentioned.
Or this I will not. This judgment is not even applicable to you. Yes.
Appellant not purchaser of the property under register sale deed.
Sir, forget that. I know this. Yes. That's not a straight case like 1 HCGP 2 emergent notice. Next.
Sought for stay, my
No,
lord.
sir.
My lord,
May have sought for stay. I have not thought for stay.
the wife and children.
Oh, no.
They are party to the loan transaction between the bank, my lord. And
ಅಲ್ಲಿ there lies the problem. All right. Yes.
the 5th purchaser, my lord.
ಪರಲ್. Yes, yes. ಬರ್ಲಿ, ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. Yes. Next.
They may frame the charges, my lord.
No, anyway, you are before the court. Let them frame charge also. Yes, next. In the meantime, next. 498A 306. Husband gilla.
Please.
Husband gilla. Bere ellargu will grant. Vaida madam.
Please.
Because husband is the key perpetrator here. Yes. The petitioners are accused. Jana? 2 to 7? 1 to 7.
1 to 6.
1 to 6. They are husband, mother-in-law, father-in-law, and all other members of the family of the accused number 1 husband. The wife commits suicide. The acts of commission of suicide has fallen upon these petitioners for offences apart from the for which becomes an offence under section 306 of the IPC, apart from the offence under section 498A. A perusal at the summary of the charge sheet would not indicate any ingredients of the offence of either 306 or 498A qua the other accused except the husband accused number 1. Therefore, further proceedings shall remain stayed where all other accused except accused number 1. The proceedings shall continue against accused number 1. 1 HCGP, 2 emergent notice. Next.
22.
Case and counter case.
Yes, my lord.
Photographs yaradadu?
Petitioners, my lord.
In the meantime, next.
23.
CBI investigation.
No, 1 second.
3 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೋ ಪಂಚನಾಮ, ನೋ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್, there is no complaint, no panchanama, no complaint, no recovery, no hand wash, no voice recording, nothing is there.
ಆದ್ರೂ you have no case.
Hearsay.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ರೂನು everything no. Case also no.
ಯಾವ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್, ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳಿ ನಾನು I will answer. No interest.
Heard the
I would not have
counsel,
troubled this.
heard the learned counsel Shankar Hegde appearing for the petitioner. The case projects a unique circumstance of everything, quote unquote, no. There is no complaint, no panchanama drawn, no money recovered,
No chemical examination, no hand wash.
no hand wash,
no
nothing has
conversation
happened.
recorded.
Ella no hand wash. But the case is registered after 3 years. The government of India has taken 2.5 years to approve registration of an FIR of an incident that took place of the said incident, and then the crime is registered now after 3 years. The issue, in the light of the aforesaid circumstance, in the uniqueness that is projected in the case at hand, the further investigation in FIR, RCR, RC so and so shall remain state till the next date. P. Prasanna Kumar is directed to accept notice for the respondent. Yes.
24.
Petitioners are respondents 2 and 3 before the proceedings under the DV Act. The tag manakudi, tag so and so.
It may be taken up tomorrow, my lord.
Why, madam?
We have filed a petition for husband also.
No, I will waste adu. Madlebedi.
This petition
Haklebedi husband ge. Don't waste your time and the court's time also. DV Act I will never grant for husband.
Because this is the second time.
Let it be 10th. DV Act I will never grant for husband.
We have it tomorrow.
No, madam. This also, you want this to be stayed or not?
is to be seen.
Yes. Respondents 2 and 3. Emergent notice to the respondent. There shall be an interim order of stake where these petitioners only. The proceedings shall continue against the husband. Yes. That is husband.
Please.
ಈಗಲೇ shall continue ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Tomorrow will dismiss it ಕೊಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. Yes.
25.
In the meantime, yes.
Grateful.
640 days delay is there, my lord.
Correct. 2026 order.
Yes, my lord.
CC of 2015.
Yes, my lord. Before that only the stay.
ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಸರ್?
ಅದೇ process stage.
ಯಾವ process stage ಇದೆ? Record ಎಲ್ಲಿ order sheet ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
Order sheet is produced.
ಈಗಲ್ಲ latest order sheet. Get the instructions.
Please.
The issue the criminal case of the year 2015. The petitioner challenges an order passed in the year 2026 by the divisional court, but the proceedings have proceeded further before the concerned court. Therefore, the learned HCGP secure instructions to the stage at which the proceedings are as on today. This Tuesday, fresh matters. Next.
27.
appearing for the petitioner, my
Ah.
lord. My lord, the petitioner runs a provision store in.
Tomato sauce will keep spurious ones, is it?
My lord, it is actually.
It's
found
not
to
tomato
be-
sauce at all.
No, the report says that it is found unfit for human consumption.
Correct. Tomato sauce also has become unfit for human
My
consumption.
lord, the report itself is what we are questioning because only 250 ml has been sent as against the
In
collection
ಎಷ್ಟು
of.
ಲೀಟರ್ ಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಾ?
No, the act mandates that minimum 1 liter has to be sent, my lord. So there is reasonable
That 250
suspicion.
ml also is not the one that they seized, that they purchased.
Yes, my
Correct.
lord, yes. And also, my lord, under section 27(1) of the same act, there are limited grounds under which the seller is held liable.
Correct.
So.
You are not the manufacturer.
We are not the manufacturer.
Kisana,
No, Royal Tomato Ketchup.
Royal Tomato. ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸರಿ, yes. Yes, in the meantime, next.
28.
Petitioner is
Split ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು.
Friday.
29.
For petitioners, my lord.
Yes, sir.
Offense is 498.
Correct, sir.
Even as.
A1, even ಏನು? Husband.
Yes, my lord.
Will never grant.
Because, my lord,
I
this
will
is not-
straight away dismiss the
No.
case, recording everything against this husband.
Because this
Torture.
This is the sensitive case, my lord.
Very sensitive, sir.
Because he is not a layman, he is a doctor, my lord.
Oh,
He is
you layman-
practicing-
doctor ಆದ್ರೆ sensitive
No,
case,
my
huh?
lord, he is practicing in Mulbaglu, Kolar district.
Oh.
And the case is in Kunigal. It is very difficult for him to travel from Mulbaglu by leaving the patients and
Ask
closing
him
the
to
door.
open a clinic in Mulbaglu.
No, my lord, she has filed 6 cases against
Very good.
me.
He
Because-
husband ಮೇಲೆ
and-
ಹಾಕ್ಲೇಬೇಕು
And
ಬಿಡಿ.
also she has remarried and another one child is there. I filed an application for rebirth.
ನಿಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಥದ್ದೇನಾ? Rebirth?
No, my lord, another child was born to the respondent number 2. I filed an application. She is not appearing before the court. I am traveling all along 200 kilometers far from Mulibaglu to Kunigal. Misusing the law from the past 4 years, my lord.
ನೀವೇ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್?
No, I'm.
ನೀವೆಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ?
No, for this case I'm.
ಅಲ್ಲ
new, my
ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ
lord.
ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ರೀಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Yes, my lord.
ಯಾಕೆ?
For this case I am new, my lord.
Wherever you appear, you
4 years case.
wherever you appear, you make a reel.
4 years
Why?
case, my lord.
You
4 years.
you want to
case.
become more popular, huh?
No, my lord.
Then why do you
For
make you
misusing-
make reels of every case you appear? Why?
Misusing law, my lord.
Misusing Instagram.
No, my lord. Misusing law.
What misusing law?
Because my mother is 70 years old.
Your mother?
No,
petitioner.
petitioner number 2.
Ah.
And she is residing in Bangalore.
Oh.
I am residing in Mulibaglu. By closing the clinic, I have to go.
ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಕೇಸ್
No, my lords, because it is very embarrassing situation for me.
You should be embarrassed for what you have done. You should be embarrassed.
Because I have not done anything.
Seriously. Very good. Yes. 1 HCGP2 emergent notice. There shall be an interim order of stay. The mother-in-law accused number 1 only. The proceedings against the husband shall continue owing to grave allegations against him. Yes, next. ನಿಮ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಯಾರ್ದದು? ಸ್ಪೀಡಿ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಅದು ಮಾಡುವ. ಅದು ಈಗಲೇ ಬೇಡ, ಬನ್ನಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ. ಎಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನೂ ರೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ಆಮೇಲೆ.
Prior to this, please, my lord, petitioner.
82 lakhs misappropriation.
82 lakhs.
Yes, sir. 4,000 ಸಂಬಳ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು 82 lakhs misappropriation
Prior to
ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ
that, please, my lord, 24/6/2025, please, my lord, I lodged a complaint before the police station that they are not giving, my lord,
Salary.
salary ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು
24/6/25.
40,000 ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ 82 lakhs
My lord, I
misappropriation.
produced, my lord, the screenshots, my lord, running from page 38. My lord, the amount which have been received from them, my lord, I have deposited before in the cash deposit machines. I have received. My lord, there is a WhatsApp group, please, my lord, which I have produced. All these photos, my lord, the deposits which I have made are shared in the group, please, my lord, where the complainant is also a, my lord, one of the group admin.
Admin?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರೇ group admin, ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Everything is being shared, my lord. Screenshots, please, my lord, kindly peruse from page
Misappropriate
38.
amount ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅವರ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆನೆ. From page 38, my lord, it runs to, please, my lord, more than 205 pages. My lord,
Yes. 1 HCGP2 emergent notice in the meantime. Next.
31.
This case has taken 2 weeks time.
ಯಾಕೆ?
31 ಇದು.
Petition number 2 ಬೇಡವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ?
Petition number 2 ಗೂ ಸ್ಟೇ ಬೇಡವಾ?
ಏನು ಬೇಡ, ಚಟ
ಬೇಡ
ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕೋಣ? 26, 25?
2 weeks.
2 weeks ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2nd July.
Please.
2nd July 4 PM to report settlement. Yes.
32.
ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್.
4 years case, my lord. I'm for the petitioner. He's having a kid.
Kid?
School going kid. I'm unable to
manage.
Continue further more 5 years, my lord.
ಯಾಕೆ? ಕಿಡ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗ
Already
ಬೇಡವಾ?
4 years. Already 4 years DV case was filed. And case is traveled 4 years from past 4 years, and it will take further 4 years if this.
Why you have decided to drag it for 4 more years?
No, my lords, because the trial court is like that, giving
Trial
the
court
matter.
is like that?
Yes, my lord, because it is a rural court. Giving
ರೂರಲ್
the,
ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
giving the adjournment unnecessarily.
ಅರ್ಬನ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ ಅದು?
No, my lord, because they are not taking the matter seriously. Domestic violence is immediate relief. Here it is delayed relief. So hence I sought for all the docket proceedings are before this honorable court.
All right, yes. The petitioner is before the court seeking the following prayer. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is facing proceedings for the last. Petitioner is you are the complainant.
Petitioner only.
Accused.
Petitioner only.
A complainant or accused, sir?
No, not the complainant, not the accused. They are also petitioner, here also petitioner. It's a domestic violence case.
Oh, hage. Yes, domestic violence. Yes. The petitioner is before the court seeking the following prayer. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that for the last 4 years, the proceedings under the Domestic Violence Act is pending adjudication. The petitioner has also placed the documents, to demonstrate the fact that the adjournment is being granted without any rhyme or reason. Therefore, I deem it appropriate to infuse finality with a direction to the concerned court to conclude the proceedings with an outer limit of 3 months from the date of receipt of the copy of the order, if not earlier.
33.
Husband no stay, 2, 3, 4. Yes.
After 19 years, they filed the complaint.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು.
Dowry harassment, nothing is there in doing.
ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. The interim order way the husband would be considered once after the appearance of the wife. Next. In the meantime, next. Atrocities Act.
35.
Petitions, please.
A2 to A6. 85 is okay. Yes, next. Axis Bank disposed.
7.
A2 to A6, no stay for husband. 85.
I'm petitioner for.
38.
Husband.
No, I'm for petitioner.
Uh.
Please kindly post for other day. My senior is attending a funeral function in his family.
Serial number ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೇಡಮ್?
37, ma'am.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು ಮೇಡಮ್?
Kavita.
ಫೈಲ್ ನೋಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಹೇಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
My senior has to.
ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. It's 85. Dowry harassment.
Yeah.
What? Yeah. No, yeah. Yes.
Yes, sir, sorry.
2 to 6. Husband no stay. 2 to 6 stayed. ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರೇ ಹಾಕಿ. Yes. Husband senior ಇದ್ರು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. Yes, 7A, learned counsel for the petitioner to serve on counsel B. Latif. ಇಲ್ಲ. B. Latif for appearing for the ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ. ನಿಮ್ಗಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅದು, ನೀವು ಹೊರಡಿ. ಆನಂದ್ ಆರ್ವಿ 7A. ಸರ್, ಸ್ಟೇ ಅಂತೂ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. To serve on whether it is failed trap, whatever trap it is. Heard the learned senior.
Different person. Received by money is
That is what Supreme Court says, that also we should not interfere. Latest judgment of Manjunath ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
I notice.
Anybody may receive, that is all matter of trial, and 7A is gone now. Very difficult. Yes.
Notice ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Notice ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. Heard the learned senior counsel Vivek Reddy appearing for the petitioner. The learned counsel B. Latif is directed to accept notice for the respondent, Lokayukta. List the matter on 2nd. 7A ಎಲ್ಲ 2nd ಹಾಕಿದೆ.
My lord, 39, I appear for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, it's a partnership deed that was entered into by the complainant and the petitioner in the year 2023. Suit for specific
This bill suit
performance.
also pending, is it?
Civil suit is pending, my lord.
What's
It's
the?
like system for framing of issues.
Number?
OS number is 377 of 25.
377
of 25.
377 of 2025. Heard the learned counsel, Srimati Kirti Reddy appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner is the accused, the second respondent, the complainant. The petitioner and the second respondent enter into a partnership on 15/2/2023. The partnership goes wrong. The complainant has also who has suit yaru hakiradu?
The complainant has
The
instituted.
complainant has instituted a suit in OS 377 of 2025 and contemporaneously has sought to set the criminal law also into motion on the aforesaid fact, which has become a crime in crime number 179 of 2025. In the light of the aforesaid facts, permitting further proceedings would become an abuse of the process of the law, albeit prima facie, further investigation, albeit prima facie. Therefore, all investigation in crime number 179, 179 of 2025 shall remain state till the next date, 1 HCGP 2 emergent.
So grateful.
Yes.
40.
This matter pertains to an Instagram post.
353 too.
Please. But there has to be some reference to an incident of breach of peace or unrest. But if some third person, my lord.
Madam,
Lord, the complaint, my lord, is an assertion of a third party, who, according to him, my lord, there can be some public unrest.
Photograph, my lord, which
Photograph,
my lord, which posted.
Yak bekide.
Lord, in fact, my lord.
Why? See, you comment,
I very much.
be a critic,
Please.
no problem.
Please.
Dissent may be the essence of democracy.
Certainly.
This is not the essence of democracy.
I admit it.
This is not correct.
But Lord, now, my lord, browsing old links, my lord.
Browsing old links,
lodging
why
new
do you want?
complaint.
Why do you want to do all this?
Please.
Nodidira?
Lord, I'm
Togoli.
not aware of the.
Alla, togoli.
Please.
ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು.
Lord, I am not aware of the.
You are not aware. Clients won't tell you everything.
Please.
Why do you need all this?
But I'm certainly not aware of the photographs, my lord, which my lord.
That is what is the problem here.
Please. No, my lord, I certainly do not.
Nobody, see, bad mouthing definitely cannot be done.
Please, it has to be condemned.
Healthy criticism is always welcome everywhere, not bad mouthing.
Most certainly.
What do you do? What do you get? You don't get anything by mudslinging someone.
Please.
You be a healthy critic of everything. Nobody comes in your way.
Please.
But mudslinging someone or washing dirty linen in public, not necessary.
Please.
And all this social media post goes to an ordinary person who do not have a
Exactly.
method to think.
Now everybody have, sir.
But I most certainly admit the.
All these social media channels, everybody have.
Please. That's become a menace.
That's the menace, and that's become the favorite time pass. I'm not saying it is wrong,
Please.
but fake news, yes, too.
The keyboard warriors.
Then, ತುಂಬಾ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Instant case, my lord, it's not the aggrieved party, my lord, was filed the case.
Anybody can put criminal law into
But
motion,
there
my
has to
lord.
be
It is
some
not
reference to an
necessarily
incident,
aggrieved
my
party.
lord. The after effect, my lord, must be forthcoming.
After effect is not necessary under 505 to 353 2. Propensity to
Probability, my lord,
that's what propensity to create unrest is enough, or probability to create unrest is also enough.
Now, picking and choosing old tweets or posts, my lord,
These are
and
not
then
old.
lodging complaint.
These are not old.
These are old tweets.
No, my lord.
ಇದು ಹೊಸದಾ ಇದು?
Yes, yes.
ಇಲ್ಲ 13/3/2024 ಅಲ್ಲ.
Those photographs are not pertaining to the instant complaint.
No, it's all various.
The complaint may be produced.
In the
my lord.
complaint,
There's no
my lord, is
reference to
given
any
ಇಲ್ಲ
photographs.
ಇದು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಇದು ಸೀನ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ 24 photographs are 20th April 26 ಎಲ್ಲ 20th April 26.
No, the complaint is on 13th April 26. My lords may kindly peruse ink page 16.
Then after that, even after this thing, these photographs have been circulated and then available
Page 16 may kindly be perused.
And these are the things which we have now recovered from the.
Now you should stop all this.
Absolutely. Please.
File an affidavit.
Please, I'll file an affidavit.
Wait. File an affidavit before the court.
Please.
Yes. This is the matter on Monday, fresh matter.
Highly grateful.
41.
Petitioner.
307.
Simple injury ಒಂದು.
Notice ಮಾಡುವ.
He is a deaf person. Whenever he used to passes in front of the complaint house, he throwing the stones ಕಲ್ಲು ಎಸೆದು ಮಾತಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ರು.
ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸೋಕ್ ಬರೋಲ್ಲ?
Every day he used to.
ಕಲ್ಲಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, complaint used to throwing stones towards accused man. Injuries, one certificate kindly take page 41.
We'll see. 1 HCGP 2 emergent notice returnable by the 2nd of July.
Simple injuries ಇದೆ.
Second ನೋಡುವ. Yes. Next.
42.
115, 126.
Huh?
115, 156.
Road rage, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ ರೋಡ್ ರೇಜ್ ಲೈಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಾರಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು.
ನಿಮ್ದೇನು?
ನಂದು ಸ್ವಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್.
ನೀವು ಅವ್ರ ಲಾರಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರ?
ಅಡ್ಡ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೊಡೆದು ಅಡ್ಡ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ.
ಸೈಡ್ ಹೊಡೆದು ಅಡ್ಡ ಹಾಕಿದೀರಾ?
ಏನೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಸ್ವಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ?
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 9. ಅವರೇ ಅವ್ನು ಯಾರೋ ಲಾರಿ ಚಾಲಕರ ಸಂಘ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಮೇನ್ ಟೈಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ರುದ್ರಪ್ಪ.
After divorce, not yes.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. A1 ಇಲ್ಲ, A2.
After divorse, yes, but the complaint not.
A2
dowry ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ admitted in the pleading, my lord. Page number 67.
Early, we'll see. Yes. Attesting witness.
Please, ma'am. Petitioner number 2 is the attesting witness.
Innibru.
Petitioner number 1 is the purchaser. Petitioner number 3 has no right in the said transaction.
This meantime, next.
My lords, all petitioners.
All.
Grateful.
The petitioners, 45. The petitioners are before the civil court. Nimdala sir, ಆಯ್ತು. The petitioners are before the civil court in OS 1860 of 2024, and on the same set of facts, the criminal law is set into motion in an issue that is seemingly civil in nature. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings. Investigation. Produce the complete charge sheet papers. ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Complete CS material, complete. Yes. Petitioner to serve on the petitioner to produce the entire charge sheet material as except the FIR and the opening sheet of the charge sheet, nothing else is produced. Yes. Whatever. Produce it and move. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಆರ್ಡರ್. It's not correct. Why you are not there, is it?
I was not there.
Then do it now.
Obliged.
Yes.
Respondent number 2, my lord. I'm filing today wakalat and also objections.
Who notice issue madadna?
So notice.
Can caveat aidu?
Alala government land.
Why did you come? Have I issued notice or you have is a provision to file caveat in 482?
No, actually.
Everybody are coming every day. What do you think it is? Na notice madadmel bani. Yes.
Civil dispute pending with respect to.
Yes, ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಕೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
I'm sorry. There is a civil dispute pending, my lord.
ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಆಮೇಲೆ
the agreement is of the year 2016, my lord.
Very good, sir.
The complaint is.
Land ಯಾರ್ದು sir?
Land belongs to me, my lords. They are in the form of sites.
Anything else, sir?
I purchased it in the year 2000,
Very
2003,
good.
my lords.
Yes.
Lords, the claimant entered into a JDA, has put up construction. My lords, may kindly turn to the statement of
No
defense.
problem, sir. 1 HCGP.
My lords, may kindly turn.
No question of stay. I'm not dismissing it because he has already come.
Only one point.
No chance.
At 114 page number, my lords.
Yes, sir.
My lords, the claimant, the complainant submits that before the arbitration panel that he has obtained for kata merging and he has obtained amalgamated kata with respect to the property, my lords. And he also says that I have obtained sanction plan with respect to the property, my lords.
No problem.
After entering into the
There
JDA,
is no
my lords.
question of stay, sir. 1 HCGP 2 emergent notice returnable by
My lords,
8th of July.
One small submission, my lords. My lords, in the joint development agreement, my lords, may I kindly look at indemnity clause, my lords, where it says, in case my title is defective, I'll indemnify him, my lords. He comes to the court, files an amendment application in the arbitration petition, bringing this back to the notice of the arbitrator, my lords. But no prayer is sought with respect to this indemnity clause in the form of damages, my lords.
No.
If I had intent to cheat him, my lords, this clause would not have come in the JDA at all, my lords.
We'll see.
My lords,
1
may kindly,
HCGP.
my lords,
No
because
stay,
he's
sir.
73
I'm
years
not
old, my lords.
dismissing it, Ashte. Yes. List the
My lords,
returnable
we
by the
cooperate
8th of
with the
July.
investigation.
Yes.
My lords, coercive steps may not be taken
No,
against
no,
us,
sir.
my lords.
Take bail, sir. Yes.
But we have bail is pending, my lords.
Ah,
That is
no
my
problem.
lords.
Yes, yes, nothing.
Till then, my lords.
No, no, sir. Nothing, not in this case. Yes.
Kindly, my lords.
No, sir.
Because if there was intention to cheat, this clause would not have come up in the JDA at all, my lords. I have agreed to compensate him if there is a defect in title, my
Sir,
lords.
secure, your bail application is pending. Run. Yes, next.
48.
7A.
Doctor.
All doctors say 7A.
Doctor said to have demanded 6,000 for insertion of the lens to the cataract surgery. Lords,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ 6,000?
that was not available in the dispensary of the government hospital, and the document is
Not
also produced
Same.
after the
B.
surgery.
Latif, 2nd July.
Lords, may I request?
ಇಲ್ಲ
my-
ಬೇಬಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವಾಗ ಬಿ ಲತೀಫ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Lords, may I? Now the order of suspension is hanging on my head.
ಏನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಷನ್?
Yes.
ಯಾವ್ದು 7A ಗ?
7A ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ
7A ಅಲ್ಲಿ that I will not. 13 ಅಂದ್ರೆ I will grant it. Not
ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
No, no, no. Not in 7A. So 7A ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Yes.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 13 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನೇಟ್ ಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟ್ರಾಪ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟೀನ್.
It's always
we are being suspended.
Anyway,
Suspended.
we'll see. List on 2nd. Yes, next.
49.
Petitioners, my lord.
Husband no stay, 2 and 3
Husband
stay.
Akil.
Not before the court. Huh?
No, only in-laws filed.
ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ.
In-laws, all are in-laws.
ಆಯ್ತು. Husband not before the court. Yes. Split ಆಯ್ತು. Friday.
Split up case.
Yes.
51.
In the meantime, next.
2.
But it pertains to a government servant.
Come after charge.
But my only submission is that, my lord, 406 and 420, my lord, cannot coexist, my lord.
ಏನು? ಇದು ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಸರ್. FIR ತಾನೆ?
Only to the
ಅಲ್ಲ
operation of-
FIR ತಾನೆ?
Please.
ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೋಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 406, 420 ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಏನ್ ನೀವೇ ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ, ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು 406, 420 ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
No, my lord,
ಅಲ್ಲ
only,
ಹೇಳಿ.
only in connection with the
Whatever it
operation
is.
of section.
Police will include whatever they want. What do you get to the victim? ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇನ್ ತಪ್ಪು? ಅವ್ರು ಹೋಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಂಥ ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ವಲ್ಲ.
Please.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ come after charge.
Please. Great.
Yes. The petitioner come after charge. ಅದೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner.
Liberty may be.
ಅದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Yes. The petitioner is before the court calling, seeking the following prayer. The perusal at the complaint and the ingredients thereon would is this court on perusal of so and so is of the prima facie opinion that investigation in the least is a must in the case at hand. Therefore, the petitioner is at liberty to approach this court in the event a final report is filed, and the said final report would go against him. Petition stands disposed, reserving such liberty. Yes. Recovery of money. In the meantime, next. Appeal dismissed for non-prosecution. ಮಾಡೋಂಗೇ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ? ನೀವೇ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, process ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, it has been returned. Next one.
ಅಲ್ಲ, appellate court cannot dismiss it for non-prosecution at all. Both, you can't. ಏನು ಹೊಸದೆಲ್ಲ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ court, appellate courts. Yes, the petitioner is the accused.
Petitioner is the
Complainant. Appeal ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ?
acquitted. 138.
The petitioner is the complainant. The respondent, the accused. The concerned court acquits the respondent accused for the offences punishable under section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act in CC 664 of 2024. The complainant files an appeal against the said acquittal. The concerned court does not answer the appeal on its merit, but dismisses it for non-prosecution. It is the order.
For page number 41, 42 onwards, 45 is the operative.
45. The order reads as follows, page 45. it is by now too well settled the principle of law, and the appellate court, whether it is against the acquittal or conviction, cannot dismiss the appeal for its non-prosecution, but will have to answer the appeal on its merit, even in the absence of the counsels or the parties to the list. Upon judgment of the Supreme Court. For the aforesaid reasons, the following order: petition is allowed, the so and so order is quashed, the appeal is restored to file. The concerned court shall regulate its procedure and take the issue to its logical conclusion, bearing in mind the observations made in the course of the order. Yes, next.
417 and 420 is promise of marriage.
ಅದೇ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Now the
ಫ್ರೇಮ್
prosecution.
ಆಗಿದೆ, ನೀವು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ನೀವು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Now
petitioner.
Now the prosecution filed application under section 216 and 323 IPC to add 376 of IPC.
Yes. What have you challenged now?
417 and 420.
ಅದನ್ನ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Application ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ.
ಈ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅದು?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ದಟ್. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇ. The petitioner reserving liberty to the petitioner to approach this court challenging an application being sought by the prosecution to include an offence under section 376(2)(n), the petition stands disposed. Adi immediate agaki that will stay. That cannot be.
Office may direct to.
The registry is directed to return all the annexures appended to the petition. Yes, next. 74 against a lady in the meantime.
Yes.
Yes.
7.
There are civil matters pending between the parties, my lords.
Number?
OS number 2102 of 2025.
OS 2102 of 2025 on the same set of facts. Yes.
Further investigation may be started.
Oh, sir, adanne kottidde. Yes.
A3 and A4.
Temple ಅಲ್ಲಿ misappropriation ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
The only audit report is there.
ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿಟ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು? ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಅಪ್ರೋಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
For the
ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನನೂ ಬಿಡಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
temple festival, he has withdrawn under self-check.
Oh.
It is not mentioned in the cash book ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, that is the allegation.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್, ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ. ಸ್ವಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನನೂ ಬಿಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ.
ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ನಾಯಕ್.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರೇನದು? ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸನೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. 1 HCGP, 2 emergent notice. Stay.
There is no sanction, my lords, secured.
ನೋಡೋಣ, ನೀವು ಮಿಸ್ಅಪ್ರೋಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾ? Misappropriation is not a part of discharge of official duties, sir.
Finding in the audit report is not about misappropriation.
Misappropriation ಗೂ sanction ಬೇಕಾ?
Finding ಇಲ್ಲ, audit report ಅಲ್ಲಿ I have misappropriated and there is no finding.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನೋಡ.
It is not mentioned in the cash.
HCGP 2 emergent notice.
The now summons is issued for appearance.
You have to. Yes, next.
I'm appear for the petitioner, my lords.
For a
50
date.
minutes.
Stay for a day.
ಅಲ್ಲ, seek for a date.
Seek for a date. Complainant temple alva?
ಅಲ್ಲ, private, third party.
Yes, emergent notice returnable by 8th July.
Please.
59, I'm appear for the petitioner, my lords.
485, yes.
60.
The minor here, it's a civil dispute, your lords. It is a civil dispute. This court directed status quo order to go before the civil court. They went before the civil court. During the status quo order itself, the PDO has come and tried to disrupt former road. The minor was just merely present at the residence.
See page 41 and 42. Yes, Vaida madam. ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಅಡ್ಡ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ?
No, your lords. It is a scheduled property, your lords. They tried to form a road with a JCB, your lords. They were present at the residence. The property belongs to petitioner's grandmother. So she was just with the grandmother. She's a 17-year-old.
Just with the grandmother.
Yes, your lord. She was just present. She did not do anything, your lords. There's no specific allegations against her. Yes. Your lords,
You are the PDO. You are a private person.
yes, petitioner. Your lords. She's a minor, your lords.
Who's a minor?
The petitioner is a minor. Your lords. There was a status quo order
Yes.
operating. They have just threatened the family with the
Wow.
FIR.
1 HCGP, 2 emergent notice in the meantime. Yes.
61.
Offense is 316 and 318. The complaint is.
Petitioner is accused number 7, finding not even an iota of allegation against the petitioner in the entire episode of crime. There shall be an interim order of stay with the petitioner till the next date of hearing.
62.
62 is second crime. 63 is first crime. Second crime we will stay. First crime we will not stay. For now. The ಎರಡು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ. The petitioner ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 62 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 85 of 2026.
88.
Second crime 88. First crime 85. The
Petition ಬೇರೆ.
The petitioner is Instagram post ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ in the meantime ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ. Yes. But post ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಇನ್ನು. Yes, next.
64.
In the meantime, 504, 506.
64.
64 ಏನ್ ಕೇಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Yes. 65, 2 to 5, 85.
66.
Hitesh. CC of 2019, sir.
No, is incident of 2030. Charge sheet has been filed in 2019.
ಈಗೇನ್ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 13 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
After being a recipient of summons, come to his knowledge and notice, my lord. And allegation, the grammar of allegation is not against A2, only against exclusively against A1. The document which they are relying upon in the final report is page 134, which is a rental agreement between the complainant before the police and myself. Whereas my brother has been made a accused number 1, and even entire allegation, he was insubordinate to him. He had misappropriated the amount is the allegation. Against A2, there is no material in my son. And he deserves concession from this honorable court.
Correct. We will give some concession, issuing notice.
Further
Yes.
proceedings.
1 HCGP, heard the learned senior counsel, 1 HCGP, 2 emergent notice returnable by the 8th of July. We'll take it by 8th of July. Yes.
67.
305.
My lord, here is
Yen
the only
Kadri.
suspect. He has not done anything, my lord. He is residing in the same village and he is a suspect. There are 2
1
suspects, my lord.
HCGP, 2 emergent notice. Investigation ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
My lord, investigation, my lord, he is threatening the police station and everything is
Returning
done.
the police station.
No, in the, my lord, they hit the person, my lord, the petitioner
Who?
and police, my lord.
ಹೊಡೆದ್ರ?
ಹೌದು.
Separate case ಹಾಕಿ, GM police.
My lord, here he is not taken anything. He is residing and his both are relatives, my lord. In the personal grievance, this is a real
No.
story.
Investigation ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕಿದೆ. Yes. 1
Investigation-
HCGP, 2 emergent notice. Next.
68.
Appear for the petitioner, my lords. It's a civil dispute, my lords.
Absolutely, sir. Page 13 and 14.
Please, my lords.
Yes.
If I may request, my lords.
Yes, sir.
In fact, earlier to the FIR being filed, if I may request, my lords, to kindly peruse ink page number 8, my lords, which is the complaint.
Yes, sir.
It's a predetermined complaint, my lords.
Always, sir.
Please, my lords. The reason is, if my lords may kindly peruse the dates. Initially, they mention it as 29/4 of 2025. Then they scratch it out, my lords. And then they rewrite it as 1/5/2026. In fact, accused number 2, who's the petition number 2 before this honorable court, is the tenant of the respondent number 2, my lords. And my lords had already passed an order of injunction.
In GMCPC.
Yes, my lords.
Correct. In the
Basing
meantime,
on that, they're trying to evict, my lords.
in the meantime. Yes. I remember the GMCPC.
Yes, my
order,
lords.
yes. Hmm.
Only problem is, my lords.
Stayed, sir.
Please, much
Only,
obliged.
only problem is stay andre not did. Yes. Hmm.
Much obliged.
But, except the
60?
statement,
Explosive.
except the voluntary statement of accused number 5, absolutely no evidence. And
Page 70,
sorry, my lord.
70.
Still he is absconding.
No, my lord.
No.
Lordship, I have surrendered before the court.
No,
I have been
you're,
granted
you're,
bail.
you're absconding, you're not traceable for investigation. Now you appear before the investigating officer.
My lord, your lordship will kindly see internal running page 27. My lord, I have surrendered before the court way back in January of 2026. My lord, there's absolutely no evidence.
Page 70 ಅಲ್ಲಿ last paragraph ಅಲ್ಲಿ you are absconding ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ ವೈದ ಮೇಡಮ್?
Yes, my lord.
My lord,
ತಲೆಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡು.
it is true.
It is true.
At
Then
that
appear
point of-
now.
My lord, your lordship would subsequently, I have surrendered before the court. I have come before the court and I have taken.
Never participated in the investigation.
My lord, there is no material to call me for investigation except on the voluntary.
Let's leave it to the investigating officer, sir. Whether there is material or not, you first appear before him.
Very well, I'll do
Yes,
that.
yes.
Any date may be fixed, end
Oh,
of
we'll
July.
fix, yes. The petitioner shall appear before the investigating officer on the 23rd June.
Please.
23rd June at 11 PM, 11 AM, sorry, 11 AM. 11 AM, list the matter on 1st July.
Please.
70.
A2 and A4. When did you resign?
Signatory is managing director, my lord. A3 is the signatory.
Who is A3?
He's also a director, my lord. Page
A2
19,
managing director.
page 19, managing director.
Managing director is always responsible.
My lord, there are no specific allegations against A2 also, my lord.
We'll see, serve on respond. Petitioner to serve on the counsel who represents the respondent in the trial proceedings and file an acknowledgement. List the matter on Wednesday next in the fresh matters list.
Lord, there is another matter.
Kudi alla. ಏನಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. Yes, tag along with sounds. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ A3 ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ?
Same petition, another complaint.
All right, yes.
498 A offense.
A2 and A3 is okay. Yes. Hmm.
72.
OS number, Vinod. OS number.
My lord, sir, RFA number 602.
RFA, OS ಏನಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
Yes, my lord. Yesterday matter was there, filed. This
ಇದೆಯಾ?
honorable court granted.
ಕೊಡಿ.
Number
Number ಕೊಡಿ ಸಾಕು. Yes.
Sir, one ನಿಮಿಷ.
73, Krishnamurthy. Question counter case 82 of 26, 83 of 26.
Please, my lord.
ಯಾವ್ದು first?
First, my complaint.
Few hours difference ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
No. 6 o'clock is the incident, my lord. Early morning, 6 o'clock to 6:30, the incident. Immediately, I went to the police station. Police said, you first do the medical and then come back. Then I went again at 6 o'clock. The
But
offense.
ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಒಂದು ನಿಜ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ದು
ನಿಮ್ದು ನಿಜಾನಾ?
photographs I produced. Kindly see the photographs, please, my lord. Annexure C1.
ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್?
ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ನಾವು ಹೊಡೆದಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ
Obviously.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಅದು ನಮ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೌಶೆಡ್ ಕಟ್ಟುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ಕೌಶಿಕ?
ಕೌಶೆಡ್
ಕೌಶೆಡ್
ಕಟ್ಟುವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ 71 ಅಂಡ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಹೌದು. That is the gravity of the complaint which has been alleged at annexure B.
CGP2 emergent notice in the meantime. Returnable by 14th July.
I'm grateful.
74.
Money recovery suit, no?
Correct, ಗೊತ್ತು.
The disguise of SC Act. August there was first complaint.
In the meantime.
November second complaint.
Next. In the meantime, next.
Waiting for petitioner in this case, your lordship, kindly may please pass over, your lordship.
Why?
Regular counsel is engaged in other.
ನೀವು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಫೈಲ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
You know, your Lordship.
Proxy counsel,
Yes, Your Lordship.
list after 4 weeks.
Your Lordship, at least tomorrow, Your Lordship, because
No,
the
no.
junior is there henceforth.
Whoever is there.
Not even appear, Your Lordship.
No problem. Why
Intern.
she's not?
Intern, Your Lordship.
Yeah, intern is a junior.
Yes, intern, Your
What is
Lordship.
this?
Can you please pass over?
No, in the meantime, yes.
Tomorrow it may be.
Yes, yes, next.
List number 2. Next matter, still number 1.
Elli,
Arguing
Praveen.
counsel is, has some inconvenience, Your
Huh?
Lordship. He has some inconvenience. The son is unwell.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ
Kindly-
last time instructions ಕೊಡಿ ಅದ್ ಬೇಕು I want to see.
In fact, my lord, the
ಅದು HAL site ತಾನೇ ಇದೆ.
yes, yes. The FSL confirms that the documents are fake, financial transaction, money trails are exist, and the property which CBI conducted investigation, nothing to do with this property. That is
That is exactly what I wanted to know last time.
that is Dodanakunde property. This is the HL different
ಆಯ್ತು.
property.
The learned SPP places the entire original file concerning the issue on record. Issue for the perusal of the court, same is taken on record. List the matter next Wednesday in fresh matters list. Yes.
Still number 2.
I'm not see number 2. I'm sorry.
Respondent. My lord, like I left on
Number
Monday.
2 na 1 na?
My lord, still number 2.
Anuparna, oh, you are his colleague. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 4 ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Yes, Your Lordship. It's a serial number 65 today.
ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ ಇವತ್ತು? ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then we'll tag everything.
Kindly have it on Monday, my lord, because counsel from Delhi is appearing in this matter.
ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಕಾಮತ್ ಸರ್ ಅಪೇರ್ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ?
In seal number 2, my lord. Seal number 2.
ಹ್ಞೂ 2ನೇ.
65 Arvind Kamat is appearing.
ED ತಾನೇ ಇದು?
ED, my lord, please. But our instruction is that a counsel from Delhi is appearing in all these matters. Kindly have.
We'll take it on one day. ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದು 2 and
265, my lord.
265 will tag everything.
Please.
Tag this petition along with serial number 65. List them all on Wednesday.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Wednesday.
My lord, Monday is my instruction.
Monday ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕಷ್ಟ.
Short
Anyway, we'll take Monday early. We'll see. List on Monday. Monday at 3:30 p.m. Because Supreme Court has directed
Your Lordship.
expeditious disposal.
They have challenged the interim order granted. by
Correct.
Your
In that
Lordship.
Supreme Court says dispose all these cases before 30th.
Yes, Your Lordship.
August, my lord. August.
August.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Not June, is it?
No, August.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಜೂನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ?
August.
Your Lordship, I said there's a Supreme Court direction.
Anyway, August.
August.
Any ಬರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ Monday, whatever.
3:30, Your Lordship.
Monday 3:30.
Interim orders. will be-
3:30. Interim order subsisting will continue to the. Somebody who told Mahesh Chaudhary told me, is it that June 30th anta?
No, Your Lordship, I was only moving memos. I just said Supreme Court direction and Your
Not August 30th.
August, my lord.
ತುಂಬಾ
August
ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಿಡಿ. ಆಯ್ತು Monday ಬರ್ಲಿ.
Anyway, the pleadings are complete. in
I know, we'll see. He's wanting on Monday. We'll take it on Monday. Yes.
Yeah, you'll
Obliged.
please.
Monday 3:30, all the matters.
Yes, sir.
And please file synopsis, list of authorities, whatever. ನಿಮ್ಮು ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
All four, can I file in one memo? Your Lordship?
All four you file one memo, not a problem. Yes.
Great.
Obliged.
But madam, make the predicate different and ED different.
Yes, Your
All
Lordship.
right. In your synopsis, don't mix the two.
There is.
Vivek sir ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? Three.
Serial number 3 ನಲ್ಲಿ similarity test not. Similarity ಇದ್ರೆ
ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
the second is liable to be stayed.
Yes.
The second complaint because it affects due process
Sir,
and a person cannot be vexed twice.
ಅಲ್ಲ, you are looking blurry.
ಅದು ಹಿಂದೆ ಬೆಳಕಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ it should not be like the case.
ಇಲ್ಲ since it affects my constitutional right. That's why I'm not.
All right. ಒಂದನ್ನ ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎರಡು ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ on the same incident.
ಎರಡನೇ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿ
ಎರಡನೇದ ಅದು?
ಎರಡನೇ
offense same
ಸೇಮ್ ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್
3.1 ನಲ್ಲಿ in the meantime 3 withdraw ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ.
ಬೇಡ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಮಿಲಾಟ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲೇಟರ್ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೂ ರನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಲೆಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಬಿ ನೋ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆನ್ 3.
Yes, 3.1 ನಲ್ಲಿ further proceedings before the
This is Ayappa.
That is Millard's assaulted.
Ayappa
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಬಟ್ one ನಡೀಲಿ. Yes, 3.1 there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings on the score that 2 crimes have sprung from a solitary incident. It is made clear that there is no stay in criminal petition 17227 of 2025 and the proceedings in the said case shall go on. Yes.
Please. Obliged.
Yes, sir.
4.
My lord, in serial number 4, I appear for the petitioner, my lord.
Huh?
Offenses, my lord, 69 and 351.
My lords, I appear for Kirti Krishna.
I appear for the petitioner, my lord. I'm on VC. I apologize.
Kirti madam, you are appearing in this?
Please, my lord, in serial number 4, I appear for the petitioner.
Yes.
Offenses, my lord, 69. There's a stay granted by your lordships, my lord. I move the matter. The only urgency is, my lord, my wedding is slated next month, my lord.
Oh,
That's why
idena
lordships
madve
have
agbeku
taken this up.
antiradu.
My lords, I am
Please,
for
my
the
lord.
complainant. Really,
69 alva?
Please, my lord.
Yes, sir.
350.
and there are some things which needs to be brought to the court's notice, my lords. I'm filing
Yeah,
an affidavit.
69 only what things can you say?
Post the interim order passed by this court, my lords, the state government has a wing called Saki where conciliation will happen between the accused and the complainant. Plus, during that conciliation period, my lords, he has convinced her again the act of this has repeated.
I'm so sorry, my lord.
Recently in
Your
May.
lordships may kindly take, my lord, an extra F where my engagement invite I've produced, my lord, dated 14/12/2025.
Page number 35, my lord.
30?
5.
An extra F, my lord. That's the engagement invite. I've been the relationship, my
14th
lord, from
May.
April.
14 December
Yes.
2025.
December
ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ
2025.
ಸರ್?
The May 17th.
ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತನಾ?
Engagement ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ he has forced on her ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ she wants to.
And now my wedding,
ಅಲ್ಲ,
my lord, is in
ಆಗಿದೆ
July.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತನಾ ಈಗ?
That is what he has promised, and he has asked her to call to the parents of the about to be get married girls.
How do you demonstrate that?
Plus, she is ready to show it to any woman if this court directs. That she says she has some material to show.
My lord, I also have material to place, my lord, which I don't want to officially place it on record. And those are not even AI generated images. If your lordships will see, with me when she was in a
Is it not
relationship
better
and post that.
not to wash dirty linen in public?
Plus, I would suggest one mediation session. The
No,
girl
not,
says that
my
the
lord,
boy
I'm getting married
still wants
next
to
month,
marry
my
her.
lord. I don't understand.
Boy wants to marry her.
No, my
No,
lord.
my lord, my wedding is slated with another person who I'm engaged with now, next month.
Plus,
How
8th
can
of
there be a
June,
conciliation or
one day
mediation, my
before
lord?
the
This is
last day, my lords,
coercion.
they have met. She says she has photos. We have not
In
produced
fact,
anything
in
here,
fact,
but
my lord,
Yes.
in fact, my lord, there's an email that I have sent, the complainant has sent, resigned the company, where the company in which
that is
both of them
that's
have
all
met
subsequent
initially.
to the
Or-
prior to the
No,
complaint. my
all
lords,
of
I'm
that is
not on that.
before the engagement. All of that is before the engagement. She resigns the company in November. I break off the relationship. We move our separate ways in October 2025. I get engaged in December 2025.
My lords,
You
all
were
And
in
my
a-
lord, in fact, mine is the first complaint. It's a counterblast. On the same day she files a complaint. I filed the first complaint that comes to be registered as an NCR.
where is that complaint is produced?
Yes.
my
Page
lords, the
23 is my
incidents which
complaint.
the complainant now
Page
wants to
23
Oh, that is
my
Annexure
complaint.
D
If
is
I
the
may be
NCR, is
permitted
it?
to submit, my lord, let my learned friend not interject.
Annexure D is the NCR, is it?
Please, my lords. Page
Yes.
22 is the complaint, my lords.
Page 20, my lord, 21 is the complaint given by the complainant. But before that, I have filed a complaint which is at page 23, where I've made a specific allegation, my lord, where she's harassing me for rupees 10 lakhs.
My lords, I have the affidavit also covers this point, my lords. She is saying that she has paid in excess of more than 1 lakh to him through bank. Now, things which she wants to say is post 20.
What is the date of the impugned complaint?
10/1.
10/1/26, my lord. Both the complaints are on the same day.
10/1/2026,
I filed the first
21/1,
complaint that comes to be
2026. This court
registered
passes an
as
order,
an
my lord.
NCR.
Post that in this May. An
Then
incident has happened. Madam.
Affidavit.
Our in para,
Conciliation process, who want to conciliate?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಖಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ವಿಂಗ್
ಅದು ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ conciliation?
ಇದೇ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಜೊತೆ victim and the
The
accused they'll
accused this boy goes for conciliation?
Yes.
When?
Post this.
After the grant of interim order?
Yes, my lords.
Yes, why did you go for conciliation?
There are no instructions, my lord, and those copies are not been produced to me. There are no
Copy
instructions
ಕೊಡಿ
that the
ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ.
ಲೀಗಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವ್ರು ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಸಂಜೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನಾನು ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿಕ್ಯಾಪ್
So just check if he has gone for conciliation after the grant of interim order and why. I'll
Please.
take it tomorrow.
Great.
Lords may have day after.
No, tomorrow. ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ.
There are other things also, my lords. She says she's ready to show the evidence to any woman that this honorable court's direct is what she's saying.
Athara, if you go on taking evidence from this side and this side, it becomes
we don't-
dirty.
Adike,
Yes.
if some mediation happens and if he really wants to marry her, let that
So
happen.
just check, madam,
Parents-
if you have gone for conciliation after the grant of interim order.
Please, my lords,
Grateful,
kindly have it tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Yes. Nale.
Grateful, madam.
My lords, interim order.
That will continue. Yes.
For the petitioner, madam. The private complaint filed by the complainant against this petitioner, the alleging that two unknown person wear helmet and assaulted with knife.
One person wearing helmet.
Helmet.
Oh.
Wear helmet on head. Assaulted with sharp stone and knife. At the time, we used the accused name, told the accused name. This is allegation, Your Honor. But accused not here, residing in Tamil Nadu. So, two unknown person. Two unknown person assaulted when driving in the car. Stop.
Police station alla, private complaint.
Yes.
A private complaint, yes, sir.
Per matter, my lords.
Police complaint file
ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Yes. ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡ್ಲಯಾ?
Yes, they are residing in Tamil Nadu and already they granted bail, anticipated bail and
In Tamil Nadu.
complied here.
Yes.
Complied the
Next.
condition.
Yes.
And
Next,
stay.
next. Meantime, Jai. Innadu?
In this case, there are other couplet of matters, my lords, which is supposed to be tagged along with this. It was a direction of this honorable court. Yesterday, I made a mention before this court. my
ಏನ್
lords.
ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, it is not that question here, my lords.
Ah.
The fact is that the allegation against the accused in the instant case is that he has tabulated few marks cards, but the actual articulations in the charge sheet and the documents produced itself, my lords, could establish that she was not at all a tabulator in that place during the relevant course of time, my lords. Sorry.
That's a matter of evidence.
ಇಲ್ಲ, it is not, it is produced along with the charge sheet, my lords.
Tag, ಕೊಡಿ, identical matters ಕೊಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ.
The matters to be tagged.
ಎಲ್ಲ identical matters ಕೊಡಿ. One day fresh matters. Yes, tag ಎಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಸರ್ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು next.
Yes, my lords. She is
The
the
question is
my lords,
only
she
this,
is
my
the
lords.
computer operator.
We'll answer the question on Monday.
For the information of the public.
ಅವ್ರು
prosecutor.
ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Yes, yes.
ಮಂಡೇ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ?
3 matters, my lords.
ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ FR ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ.
It is filed the day before yesterday.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಎಸ್,
I will give the
ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ
number.
ಮಾಡಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
Yes, please.
ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ.
I appear for petition, my lord.
NDPS.
Please, my lord, he has been arraigned as accused, my lord, for consumptions of narcotic substance. My lord, he has been taken to, my lord, government hospital. There, my lord, his urine test has been conducted by, my lord, the doctor, my lord, who is a specialist in the ENT. And, my lord, that sample, my lord, was
ಆ
not sent to
ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ
laboratory.
ಯಾರು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ? ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ
Please,
ಸಾಕು.
please, my lord,
MBBS ತಾನೆ?
Please, my lord, but
ಅಷ್ಟ್
that
ಸಾಕು.
sample, my lord, was not sent to laboratory. My lord, without, my lord, obtaining any report from the lab. My lord, charge sheet came to be
Ganja in the
filed.
cigarette, my lords. You mixed ganja in the cigarette
And that
and
is
he was
not seized.
smoking. That is confirmed in the FSL.
ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಗಾಂಜಾ ಇನ್ ಸಿಗರೇಟಾ?
Yeah,
ಓ,
he
ಇದ್ಯಾವ
was
ವೆರೈಟಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
smoking.
And that is not seized, my lord. And that is not seized.
FSL report
Based on, my lord,
confirms.
my urine test, I have been
FSL
arraigned
report
as an accused.
confirms.
Only based on, my lord, urine test, my lord, I
Sir,
have been arraigned as an accused.
ENT ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿಸ್ಟ್
I am not relying on that.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ENT ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಾಡಿಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ಯೂರಿನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತೆ?
Lord, that sample, my lord.
ಲ್ಯಾಬೊರೇಟರಿ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Please, my lord, but that
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
sample,
ಏನ್
my lord,
ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಇದು? ENT ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿಸ್ಟ್ has conducted urine test, ಏನೋ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ
my
ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
lord, that sample, my lord, was not sent to the laboratory.
Ah.
And, my lord, lab report was not obtained.
Sorry.
And moreover, my lord, their case is, my lord, I stuffed the substance in the cigarette.
Stuffed.
In the cigarette, my lord, that material itself is not seized.
ಟೊಬ್ಯಾಕೊ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
That is their case,
Ah.
my lord, but
ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Allegations in the charge sheet.
ಏನ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, he mixed ganja in the cigarette.
Lord, without there being, my lord, any material,
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
And my lord, your lordships,
ಏನ್ ರಿಕವರಿ?
there is no recovery except my lord,
ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗರೆಟ್.
except urine sample.
ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಯೂರಿನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್.
Yes, my lord.
ರಿಕವರಿನ ಅದು?
That has been sent.
ರಿಕವರಿ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂರಿನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಅದು.
Lord, your lordships are filed, my lord,
ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ
without-
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ.
ರಿಕವರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಾಂಜಾ ರಿಕವರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್, ನಿಮ್ ಯೂರಿನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು?
there is no recovery, my lord.
ಎಸ್, ಇನ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನೋ ಒಂದ್ ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ಸೇದ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಿಡಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
This case, Your Honor, there was a direction to secure investigation paper in this matter.
Kodi.
Let's in all four accused, let's 3 and 4 not charge sheeted, only 1 and 2 are charge sheeted.
ಈಗ 4 ಜನ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಹೌದು.
ಸೊ 3 and 4 ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಂತಲ್ಲ?
4 is the, my lord, the honor card counsel in the civil case. He was also incorporated in the.
ಓ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ?
3 and 4 ಮೇಲೆ
Has to see, my lord, the complaint.
ಈಗ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ದೇ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳ?
So far as 1 and 2 is concerned.
1 and 2 ವೇಟ್. ಏನ್ 1 and 2 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಡಿ ಇದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್? ನಾಗೇಶ್ವರಪ್ಪ.
Yes, ma'am.
ಹಾ. ಒನ್ 118 ಕೇಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್. 115, ಎಸ್. 115 is not the offense. The offenses alleged against the petitioners, the learned counsel for the learned HCGP submits that pursuant to the investigation, petitioners 3 and 4 accused 3 and 4 have been dropped from the array of accused. Therefore,
One submission.
ಏನಪ್ಪಾ?
We have challenged FIR here. Now they brought it to the notice.
FIR ಹಾಕಿರೋದಾ?
FIR we have
The
challenged.
learned HCGP on instructions and verification of the records would submit that accused 3 and 4 would be dropped from the proceedings as the charge sheet that is ready to be filed does not name them as accused. Therefore, the petitions insofar as accused, petitioners number 3 and 4 are rendered infructuous, reserving liberty to them to approach the appropriate forum in the event of need. 319 application ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ. In the event of need, the petition stands disposed qua petitioners 3 and 4. Who remain in the fray is petitioners 1 and 2. Petitioners, the allegation against these petitioners are the ones punishable under section 118, 351 and 352 of the BNS, which is 324, 504 and 506 of the earlier regime, the IPC. A perusal at the wound certificate would indicate the following injuries sustained by the complainant. ಇದಿರ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ಲಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. The wound certificate ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡಿ, ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. The wound certificate reads ಬೇಡ. Wound certificate indicates that ಏನಿದು wound black mole.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ.
Yes, pain over the left ಏನ್ region ಇದು? Parietal region. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಪೇನ್ ಕಿಲ್ಲರ್. Injuries are simple in nature. This can hardly meet the ingredients of section 118 of the BNS. Therefore, the allegation is loosely laid against the petitioner or in abuse of the process of law by the complainant. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of all further proceedings pursuant to the registration of the FIR, including any charge sheet filed before the concerned court.
Please,
ಇನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
please.
Yes. Next. ರುದ್ರಪ್ಪ.
Lord, last time your lordship granted the interim order, Lord.
Last time interim order ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
Not to precipitate.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Yes.
Lordship, the connected matter, lordship granted the interim order.
Connected ಅಂದ್ರೆ co-accused?
No, my lord, in the same accused, my lord, in the previous case, my lord.
ಇದು 132.
No, my lord. 130, 120, 132, 121, my lord. 138 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತದೆ.
132 sir. 353.
Please, my lord. Sumoto, they have.
353 ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸುಮೋಟೋನೆ.
My lord,
Police or public servant?
Police.
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಮನೋಡ್
Police ಗೆ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರಾ?
ಸಮನ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಂದಿರಂತೆ ರಿಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ. ರಿಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು
If
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ.
there is another crime of this nature against you, you are doing this everywhere. Yes, tag this petition along with so and so. Jagdish sir, look into it. The learned HCGP accepts notice for the first respondent, for the respondents.
Not in the meantime.
No meantimes.
Because they
List
are
on-
going to file charge sheet.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್. List the matter on Wednesday, next fresh matters next. ಅದು ಎರಡೂನು assaulted the lady, I mean the police.
Not, I'm requesting not previous order at least continue request.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Not to precipitate
ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಹೌದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ not last date ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. Not to precipitate the matter ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆ.
List ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅದು?
ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಹೌದು. ಮೊನ್ನೆ last week ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Not to precipitate will continue. It's all right.
Same order may continue.
Same. Madam, previous order ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗಲಿ. Yes, next.
10.
You are the petitioner. ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
Your Lordship, FIR ಬೇರೆ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ FIR ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ Your Lordship.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲ?
ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ Your Lordship.
The meantime, next.
Obliged.
ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೇ ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್? ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ವಾ?
He attacked on me Your Lordship.
ಅಪಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Yes.
11.
Where is this petitioner's counsel? Ayyo, I thought she is only the counsel. All right, yes.
11.
Yes, madam.
I appear for petitioner. On the last date of hearing, my lord, your lordships has directed the government advocate to secure the
Post committee report minutes.
Tomorrow, fresh matters.
Not,
ಇಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ madam.
I am filing the post committee's report, which I have received.
Wait, let me see ನಾಳೆ. Yes. Balagopal.
12.
ಏನಿದು?
Appearing for
ಇಡಿ
petition.
ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ?
My lord, sir, request for a week's accommodation. my lord.
Inter ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Please, my lord.
I'll vacate it. Yes.
My lord, sir, it is.
Come on, merits.
My lord,
ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಯಾವ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, next time ಬಂದಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. No adjournments.
my lord, sir, request on Monday. my
Vivek
lord.
Reddy sir was here. Ask him to come.
My lord,
Fast.
I request for a week's
No
accommodation.
adjournment.
Lordship may
at all.
have it on Monday, my lord.
No.
On their request today it was fixed.
Yes, sir. Anything else? I'll vacate the interim order. You take it anytime. Next year also.
Monday, my lords.
Next year also. No. Whatever it is, I am not on the merit of the matter. Once you take an interim order, when it comes up for the next time, you should be ready to argue the matter. There is no interim order continuing for all time to come.
My lords, Monday, my lords.
No.
Humble request, my lords. We'll argue on the Monday, my lords.
No, sir. Yes. Now what's the matter, sir? Jagdish, sir.
Issue, my lord, they're trying to project that the dispute between the directors.
Huh.
Not one, my lord, that the various fake invoices have been generated which do not have GST numbers and all other things. These are fake invoices generated.
ನೀವು ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ GST ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
That probably we will have to communicate
Ah,
with them. I'll show my lord invoices, no GST numbers in any of these invoices. Finances have been transferred. Second, my lord, the husband transfers the money. There are three companies, my lord. One run by wife, one by wife's father, one by accused husband. Money, my lord, has transferred within these three companies. Belongs to the petitioner's company.
Complainants.
Complainants.
He is a director. That's how we come to know what is happening is suddenly the company receives UPI payments from him on behalf of a wife's company for which the business is diverted. Lords, it's like I get a license, I give a license to use certain softwares, my lords. For others, it is in lakhs. For her, he has diverted in thousands. And from his UPI, my lords, amounts come to us. Then, my lords, the investors, everyone get a doubt. Deloitte is appointed to audit. Give a report. They see, they conduct.
Where is the report of Deloitte?
It's enclosed along with the complaint.
Could
The
you-
police have the Deloitte report, the first one.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ full ಕೊಡಿ.
I'll stitch it and give. Lordship, I have flagged it, my lord, for three different issues which involved in this company.
They find out the fraud that has been, not fraud, my lord, forgery. Or fraud is another thing.
Forgery, misappropriation, and cheating, all things will fall in this case.
That's along with the
Yes.
complaint. I have not filed.
This is the investigation papers, they can't give you, yes. Mike, madam,
If I may assist, my lords.
yes.
My lords, this is an AI based company. My lords, this is an AI based company.
Jaga
There's a-
kodi avrige. Yes.
My lords, A, I'm seeking a short accommodation for a Monday. My lords, be that as it may, my lords, I would not have requested. I'm always here to assist. Second, my lords, this is an AI based company. There's a dispute between the founders. The founders have been fighting for a very long time. They want to liquidate the company. My lords, the whole dispute which is coming here, my lords, belongs to under section 213 of the Companies Act. My lords may have section 213, which says that investigation can be done by the tribunal in other cases. 212 is investigation for the SFIO with respect to public involving money. 213, my lords, in section 213, they can go before the NCLT for any of the investigation. My lords may have their complaint also, my lords. My lords, all the transaction, and they're saying GST fake invoices, it's actually not GST fake invoices. My lords, these are alleged invoices. And my lords, what has happened is, my lords, the founders there were dispute between the parties. There were a whistleblower complaint. One of the investors come shareholders had made a draft Deloitte report, which my lords have been referring to. The report is also not final, my lords. The report has not attained finality. In fact, my lords, in the undertaking, in the first few disclosures of the report, it clearly says that it's a draft report, should not be shared, should not be produced in any other court of law. Second point, my lords, that and this report was officially not shared by Flipkart to the complainant. Third, my lords, in the FIR, the company itself is not a party, my lords. If they're alleging something against the company is not made a party. Where who will represent the company? The documents have to be reproduced. My lords, the FIR also was registered on 15th May. My lords, this is a financial transaction. Within 20 minutes, the FIR was registered against, based on the complaint, the FIR was registered in 20 minutes, my lords. Let's be that as it may, my lords. We have also went to the NCLT with respect to 213. We have invoked the section 213. The matter is also coming before the NCLT on Friday. My lords,
No
I
wonder they want
request.
it on
No,
Monday.
I am not. We have filed it, my lords. My lords, I request for a Monday accommodation. My lords, the interim need not be vacated. The request is, my lords, in a financial transaction or a corporate transaction, even 20 minutes, my lords, will have the complaint and the FIR. Within 20 minutes, FIR is registered. They come to my house, and my lords, it's not that we were not cooperating. We were talking to the investors, we are running the company. He wants to liquidate the company. I don't want to liquidate the company, I want to run the company. My lords, this was a similar dispute. We have we have emails, we have everything. All this matter is coming before NCLT on Friday. My lords, give me a short accommodation. I'm not shying away. I'm not running away from any of the liabilities or orders coming. My lords may not vacate interim. My lords may have the Deloitte report which is attached. It is above overview. It's clearly mentioned. This is a
No,
draft.
it is mentioned as draft.
It's not finalized, my lords. And this was not formally circulated by the Deloitte. It was given to Flipkart, and Flipkart did not
That's
share it.
confidential. Yes.
Confidential. How did he get the copy of the report, my lord?
No, investigating officers.
No, my lords.
Not him. Investigating officer has the report.
No, my lords. Actually, my lords, the list, the events is
But
such
we have
that.
given it. Complainant had a copy. It is shared.
How
Alla,
did they receive
ಇವ್ರು
it?
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ
In
ಇದು.
fact, my lord, if my learned friend wants to take a benefit of saying it's a draft report and don't want to rely on the Deloitte report speaks about many other violations. I'm not on that part. Let them explain how the invoices which do not exist, GST numbers have been
That we will
paid,
ask. Yes.
how the finances between the.
We'll take it on Monday.
My lords may take it on Monday.
We'll take it on Monday. Let me also.
What happens
say
is,
this.
my lords.
Monday ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ now they reveal they have gone.
So it
That
appears-
should not happen. That
Let's see, appears to have an argument. We'll hear.
Lords, that is 212 millards is totally different. 212, 213. If I want to remove them, millards oppression, mismanagement.
No, correct. ಅದಿರ್ಲಿ.
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಆಗ.
No, we'll hear it the
It's a
whole
case
hog.
of forgery, millards. That is not a matter which will go there. And both can coexist. That's a super.
No, I'm not saying they cannot coexist at all. We'll, but no judgment on that day. Be
Absolutely.
ready.
I bow
Yes.
down, my lords. I bow.
Monday, fresh matters.
Stitch that and give back.
ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
My lords, interim to continue.
Yes, yes. What's your name?
Please, my lord.
What's your name?
Shankar Mishra.
So and so appearing for the petitioner heard and the learned counsel list the matter on Monday. It's made clear no further adjournment would be granted in the matter. Interim order subsisting would continue till the next date of hearing.
My lord, in 12.1, Madhur names is reflected in because it's not.
What?
12 in item 12.
12.1, what is it?
12 in item 12.
Balagopal,
It's not Balagopal, it's Madhur's name to be reflected.
whichever name you just give.
Please,
Register to
I bow
print,
down.
print the name of so and so is appearing for the
I bow down.
petitioner. Yes,
I bow down
Monday.
for the-
It's only, we hope that they, my lords, they don't get an order there.
No,
that these
I am not on that. It appears to have a point. We'll hear on Monday.
Please, my lord, may hear
Yes.
me on matter. Achha. 13.
Offense, my lord, is 108 of BNS. That is on 23rd March 2026. The allegation is that, my lord, the petitioner, being the villagers, have told the deceased that, my lord, she has looted public's money. Henceforth, go and die. That
public money.
Public money. Henceforth, go and die. That allegation was made on 26th February 2026.
Yes, go and die. Even in the complaint, 26 to 2026 is the phone call.
There was a meeting set up.
Meeting.
They are just the villagers, my lord. They have nothing to do with.
Petitioner is before the court calling in question registration of a crime in crime number 62 of 2026 for the following offences, madam, page 11. What triggers the registration of the crime is the commission of suicide of yaradu? Complainant ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು?
Complainant husband. Complainant is a husband and the deceased
The
is the
wife of the complainant. Wife, public servant ಅವರು?
Illa, sir.
Wife of the complainant. The allegation is about a month ago to the date of the commission of suicide. It transpires in a particular meeting the petitioner had hurled certain abuse against the wife of the complainant, that she has swindled public money and therefore it is better she goes and dies. The death note also is indicative of the very same fact. In the light of the said circumstance, without there being any other material or proximity, instigation, goading as is necessary for an offense, as is necessary and obtaining under section 45 of the BNS, the offense under section 108/306 of the IPC cannot be permitted to be proceeded further. In the light of the said circumstance, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings in so and so till the next date of hearing. Yes.
Much obliged.
Connected. SPP ಅವರ ಇರೋದು ಅದೇನೆ. ನಿಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು?
3660 of
ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ ಅದು?
2026. ಇಲ್ಲ
ನೀವು ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್?
ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 78 and 7, 8, 9, 10 ಮೇಲೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಮಂಡೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ. ಮಂಡೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮಂಡೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ? ಆಗಿದೆ ತಾನೆ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಂಡೇವರೆಗೂ ತಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ?
ಪೊಲೀಸರು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹುಡುಕೊಂಡು
ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
Lord, in this matter, my lord, your lordship directed me to serve on the respondent's counsel, representing before the trial court.
Your lordship has asked a question how SPP has filed a petition before the trial court.
SPP?
Yes, my lord.
ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ?
SPP has filed a petition. He has not filed a petition. It's a suo motu case taken by the trial court because non-compliance of the DV order, the DV proceedings order.
the DV suo motu ಆದ್ರೆ court can take.
Suo motu ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ SPP ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
In the cost title, my lord, of the order sheet.
Sir, order under section 31, 32 is passed. Correct. Order is then SPP application ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತನಾ?
Please, my lord.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ.
Order sheet, my lord, reflects, my lord, as the state of Karnataka.
Where, sir? Page?
Page 14.
Page 16, my lord. Order sheet. Page 13, my lord.
Page?
Page 13. The state represented by PP Udupi.
Page 13 order sheet.
Yes. The suo motu complaint, therefore the state has been shown as a TP.
Suo motu complaint ಯಾಕೆ?
By the court because non-compliance of the order.
Oh, court has registered.
Court has registered.
All right. Anything else, sir?
My lord, this is sumoto case, my lord, registered. with-
No problem, sir. Anything else?
My lord, based on the, my lord, the allegation is that, my lord, violation of the DV order.
Correct, sir.
My lord, the DV application, my lord, was filed before the revisional court. My lord, that is not, my lord, that itself is not permissible. My lord, the court of first instance is.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು?
My lord, section.
ನಾನ್ ವೈಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್
No, my
then
lord. They seek,
ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Where is the DV act, DV proceeding initiated? Where is the order? DV proceeding ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ papers?
Can you pass over, my lord, the senior.
You told it is registered before the sessions court.
Sessions court, my lord, they file applications before the
One
honorable
ನಿಮಿಷ
sessions
sir.
court.
Come to page 104. Before the JMFC criminal miscellaneous 117 of 2016, that is the DV proceeding.
May I make one submission, my lord? My lord,
ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ husband
my lord, the
husband
son and daughter-in-law. Son and
ಏನು
daughter-in-law.
shared residence
Shared residence. This is a complaint, my lord, filed by the mother.
Ah.
My lord, first, my lord, they approached the magistrate.
What's the age of the mother? Mother is granted shared residence.
Not only shared residence, my lord.
ಏನೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ?
My lord, the honorable sessions court, my lord, the lordship can pass.
ಆಯ್ತು, that is illegal, all right.
My
ಸರಿ,
lord,
ಆಮೇಲೆ?
based on, my lord, they themselves agreed by that order, my lord, preferred a revision petition.
No, if shared residence is granted to the mother,
Still residing in our house.
ಆಮೇಲೆ what other benefit is granted to the mother?
My lord, lordship can pass over, my lord.
ಅರೆ
Senior
ಓದಿಲ್ವಾ?
wants to argue. No, my lord, senior wants to argue this matter, my lord.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಬಾಲಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅವ್ರು ಬರದೇನ್ ಬೇಡ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಎಸ್.
My lordship, can you take, my lord, the connected matter?
ಆಯ್ತು, ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ಎಸ್. But what learned SPP says is correct. It is by the court, ಅದು SPP ಅಂತಾನೆ
That
ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು.
is illegal because, my lord, they file applications before the honorable sessions court, my lord, that itself is not permissible. Not for
Why
the
did
violation.
why did the proceeding go before the sessions?
My lord, sessions court, my lord, they filed the revision petition because the honorable magistrate has not granted the order.
Correct.
Please, my lord.
So the proceeding is before the revisional court. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ.
My lord,
Then?
DV Act, my lord, has to be preferred.
Original proceeding is always there. But the proceedings are taken up before the court of decision on a particular order.
That revisional jurisdiction, my lord, your lordships are aware.
I will see what is revisable.
Court, my lord,
That
is
would
very-
not be revisable.
My lord, they cannot
We'll
file
see.
the application, my lord, before
We'll
the
see.
revisional court.
We will transmit that application to the concerned court and ask the court to pass orders. As simple as that. Yes. Pass over. And that so moto is correct. SPP has not filed.
Lord, we will demonstrate, my lord, there is no violation at all.
Yes.
For the application for opinion, my lord, rejected by the
Mike
trial
says,
court, my lord.
ah.
Application filed.
Section 45 is rejected.
But on the ground that, my lord, it is the contention of the complainant that I have executed the, first agreement, then
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು
subsequent.
ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ನಿಮ್ದೇನಾ?
ಚೆಕ್ ನಾನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಆರ್ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಅನ್ನೋರಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು.
ಹಾ.
ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಅವ್ರು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಮೈ ಕಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್.
Petitioner to serve on the counsel who represents the respondent in the trial proceedings and file an acknowledgement, list the matter on 6th July. And in the fresh matters list, further proceedings before the concerned
Argument.
court shall remain stayed.
ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಿದೆ.
ಬೇಡವಾ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಸಾರಿ.
Lordships, the offense is 353 subclause 2, your lordships. The allegations is that on Facebook I make a post, your lordships gets it at page number 6. The post is that.
ನಿಮ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ,
Your
ಅದೇ
lordships-
ನಿಮಗೂ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕಬಲ್ ಈಗ.
Please, your lordships, but that is actually targeting a specific community, your lordships. In this, the
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನು?
community is not being mentioned, your lordships.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನು?
The post, your lordships, this is one of the folklore, your lordships. In Daiva Aradhane, your lordships, we mention about two twin heroes called Koti and Chennaya, your lordships. They fight against the oppressors, your lordships. About that, I've taken a part of it and mentioned on my Facebook post, your lordships. Your lordships will get it at page number 6.
Meantime.
One at 45 also, the same.
Right?
In 17, my lord, I am appearing.
ಏನು 1 and
45, my lord, I am.
45 ಯಾರು ಅಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ?
ನಾನು ಬಸವರಾಜ್.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
Your lordship sees my lord pass on the complaint. My lord, the complaint was.
ನೀವು ಅಪೇರ್ ಆಗೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಕೇಸ್.
Yeah, unfortunately, my lord. Your lordships were kindly, my lord, at the time of filing, we did not.
What is unfortunate about it?
Fortunately.
Fortunately.
My lord, I don't know, this hybrid play, my lord, is increasing day by day. Your lordship sees, my lord.
Hybrid?
Howದು? I'll, my lord, demonstrate it.
Oh, enforcement directorate?
No, my lord, that is the unusualness. An officer of the enforcement directorate, my lord, launches a search, a surprise search and seizure, my lord, against, my lord, my lord, the petitioner in the airport, under the provisions of FEMA.
Oh, this is that matter yesterday moved saying they have invoked UAPA later.
My lord, such an extremity, your lordship sees, my lord, the complaint. Under FEMA, my lord, it is invoked. My lord files a my lord, complaint, personal complaint with a police station at Kottanuru, invoking PMLA provisions. For PMLA, one second, please.
Police station.
In the police station, your lordship sees, my lord, the complaint. Your lordship sees the complaint, which is, my lord, right after the FIR, invoking sharing information under section 66(2) of PMLA. Where is the question of
information and 66 share ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ED has registered ECIR.
ECIR is
sorry,
not
ED has communicated to the police station
that cannot
to register the crime. That is permissible.
No, my lord, if it is under, my lord,
66 is permissible, sir.
66 is permissible.
See,
provided
what
it is
happens
PMLA
is
offense.
now there is no crime register, there is no predicate offense. ED is not precluded from entering somewhere and conducting a search. While conducting a search, if the ED finds that there is something that a predicate should be registered, 66 kicks in.
Had it been, my lord, an offense under PMLA, this is under Foreign Exchange Management Act, FEMA. My lord, under FEMA, my lord, ED officers, your lordships rightly got it. ED officers, my lord, act under two different statutes. One is PMLA, second is Foreign Exchange Management Act. Now, my lord, both are, my lord, distinct groups. My lord, under the Foreign Exchange Management Act, they draw powers of the search and seizure under the Income Tax Act, because the FEMA Act says, because FEMA Act is very short, my lord. It says whenever there is a search and seizure required under the FEMA Act, you will get the same powers as enshrined under, my lord, the Income Tax Act. The Income Tax Act, my lord, one second, the section 132, my lord, it's a judicial statement. They will have to summon, call, record the statement, and based on that, they can prosecute. At the end of the day, what they can do, they can only file a complaint. Not, my lord, certainly a police complaint, or, my lord, which will result in a police
Their
report.
complaint is charge sheet, sir.
Yes, my lord, that complaint is charge sheet. I was fine, my lord, with that. Now, what this officer does, he enters the airport. My lord, intercept somebody under the FEMA Act. Your lordship sees, my lord, in the preamble,
story ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Now, under the FEMA Act, my lord, he intercepts. Says you have been in possession of some credit cards and debit cards, which you have been using. Then, my lord, there was some torture against me. I'll end up filing a writ petition before this honorable court. GM police. Notices were ordered. Notices were issued. 2 days later that, my lord, a complaint is raised against me, my lord, at Kottanuru police station by this ED officer, saying that, no, at the time when I intercepted him under FEMA Act, and we took some statement and we let him go. Now we feel that he has connections, that this particular debit card and credit cards he is using for the purpose of funding, my lord, left-wing extremism. My lord, everything is on suspicion. Not even, my lord, a single strand of proof. My lord, he hallucinates. He, my lord,
Who hallucinates?
This officer. He hallucinates.
How do you
my lord.
know?
That's what, my lord, he cited with the complaint. Not even a single stand.
I hallucinated about this issue.
Simply, my lord, he says, I have a suspicion. I feel that it is for this. And, my lord, the Kottanur police registered this complaint, thinking that, my lord, it is a PMLA passing on information. PMLA passing on information, your lordships are absolutely correct. Section 66 provides for it. So, not under FEMA. When it is FEMA, my lord, it has to land up, my lord, by a complaint before the learned magistrate. Where's the question of police, my lord, registering this case for the offences punishable under UAPA? The police wants to, my lord, register a case.
Basuraj sir, then
I appear for accused number
co-accused, is it?
1, 3, 4,
Hello,
5.
co-accused.
Yes, my lord, we are all.
1, 3, 4, 5. The only allegation is that the accused number 2 was caught with some international debit cards, which
You are accused number what?
Accused number 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. The allegation is that those debit cards were supposed to be given to me for the purpose of withdrawing the amount from the Indian ATM machines and use it for sections 13, 17 and 18 of the PML, the UAPA Act. I have not even seen the debit cards. They are not delivered to me. I have not withdrawn. The question of withdrawing the amount also does not arise. The only allegation against 13456 is these debit cards would be given to you.
Who told them that?
That's hallucination.
Hallucination. It reads so. The complaint, I am not, my lord, exaggerating. The officer says, I am in search of this, and my lord, this is all, my lord, just because a counterblast, my lord, we got a serious. Now, my lord, he says, I am doubtful, I suspect. My lord, any amount of suspicion, my lord, cannot form basis of a complaint. There has to be, my lord,
No,
information. of a
suspicion,
cognizable-
suspicion can be the basis of the complaint.
Yes.
Not proof.
Not proof. Now, my lord, he says, I feel that they are all loitering around in a particular ATM. One of the debit card was used and 1,000 rupees was withdrawn.
1,000
Therefore, I
rupees.
suspect. Yes, my lord, that's what is the complaint. Now, he suspects that this must be for the purpose of funding left-wing terrorism, my lord, in Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. My lord, there has to be some limit for this. And my lord, if it were to be an action under FEMA, my lord, I
No,
have no
correct. I just want to see if this is only tip of the iceberg.
My lord, in fact, my lord, there is not even, my lord, iceberg, and there is not even, my lord, trace of ice here. Somebody wants to, my lord, create, my lord, an impression of somebody where ice or an iceberg, my lord, under the ocean. My lord, this is nothing but, my lord, a malicious action, because, my lord, we came before this honorable court. My lord, if anyone comes before this honorable court by way of a red petition, if this is the kind of approach, my lord, then, my lord, there is a serious loss of, my lord, moral, my lord, constitutional values. And ED officers, my lord, can't be playing this hybrid game of once using PMLA, once using, my lord, FEMA. If it is FEMA has to land up by way of a complaint.
Page 46.
The other allegations are 420, cheating, making false document, forgery, destruction of. Which document is forged? Who is cheated? Who is victim? Nothing.
Page 46.
I was under the impression, my lord, my learned prosecutor Jagdish wouldn't like this complaint.
Usual case.
ನಾ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನೀವು ಬರೀ
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಬರೀ ಎಫ್ಐಆರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ
ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್?
ಇದೆ we just passed it on.
ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
Yeah, I just passed it. Your lordship sees.
Oh, you don't like the complaint?
No, my lord, we did not have it, my lord, at the time when we filed the red petition. Now we have it. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಮೆಮೊ ಜೊತೆಲಿ.
UAPA ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್.
UAPN ಇನ್ವೋಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. UAPN ಇನ್ವೋಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವರು ಕೇಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್, ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್, Bangalore police registering cases of UAPA. The investigation agencies are somewhere else.
ಅದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಲ್ಲೇನೆ.
ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇದೀರಾ ಈಗ? ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದನ್ನು. Then it is transferred to the NIA if needed. UAPA offenses can be investigated.
My lord, when, especially when somebody is staying funding for terrorism and all, they should be, my lord, little more.
Those are registered before the jurisdictional police only.
Drop of the hat registration.
ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Drop of the hat.
Not before police station ಅಂದ್ರೆ no, that cannot be.
Drop of the hat registration.
Sharing of 66(2) permit sharing of information.
And not under FEMA Act.
No doubt.
Not under FEMA Act. If it is, my lord, a PMLA case.
1 minute. No. 66 permits sharing of information by the enforcement directorate to any agency in any penal action that is being taken against any person. Read 66.
I know, my lord, but it is under the
66(2).
PMLA Act.
66(2) does not bar. ನೀವು ಫೆಮಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ನೀವು PC Act ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ನೀವು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು 66(2) empower sharing of information. Whether that can result in this, we will see. There is no jurisdictional error here.
Only one, my lord. I'll just plead it and I leave to your lordship. My lord, if the PMLA officers, ED officers acting in the capacity of, my lord, PMLA officers takes up an investigation. If ED officers, my lord, acting in the capacity of investigators under PMLA. Yes. Now, my lord, admittedly,
1 minute.
they were, my lord,
we'll thrash out that.
Yes, your lordship.
Come to 62, sir.
Yes, my lord.
66(2) disclosure of information.
Yes. 66(2). Your lordship sees, my lord.
Such other officer authority performing functions in any other law, if in its opinion is necessary in public interest, in this behalf to share information obtained with so and so, specified in the performance of their functions under this act, as may
this act.
Under this act.
PMLA. Now, my lord, for PMLA, there has to be a predicate offense.
No. Predicate can generate by this, not a problem.
But, my lord, if it were to be an investigation under PMLA, prompted by a predicate offense, they can exercise their powers.
Madam.
Now, under FEMA,
FEMA kodi.
Your lordship sees, my lord, FEMA, my lord, directly says,
your search, seizure, everything under the Income Tax Act. If it is under the Income Tax Act, my lord, police can't investigate any information.
Now proceedings are instituted under FEMA against
FEMA,
you.
admittedly FEMA.
Under what provision?
Under, my lord, your lordship sees, my lord, that's there in the complaint itself. The complaint your lordship sees, my lord. In the first, this thing is under FEMA, and the first paragraph, and FEMA 99, my lord, under section 37, read with section 132 of the Income Tax Act.
FEMA is always 37. Yes.
Yes, my lord. 37 read with 132 of the Income Tax Act.
All right.
Now he shares information under the PMLA Act.
Now, there is no proceeding, SPP Ore. There is no proceeding under the PMLA.
No.
There is admittedly no proceeding under the
No.
PMLA. So it is only under the FEMA.
For a moment, my lord, assuming that there are even FEMA is
They
also
are, that's exactly where I am coming to.
Yes.
You forget FEMA, you forget PMLA, you forget anything. If there are instances that can be seen where you are wanting to commit an offense of this kind or ingredients of an offense of
Anybody
this
can
kind,
be the complainant.
anybody can be the
Anybody can be.
law can be
I
set,
concede.
criminal law can be set into motion by anybody in such
I concede.
circumstances. Correct?
I concede.
Now you dehorse all that if there is a crime registered.
No, my lord, if it were to be a general information, I had no issues. My lord, he gives information based upon his search and seizure. Now, my lord, his search and seizure under FEMA. My lord, if it is, my lord, some murder or some other crime, if, my lord, he sees some narcotic trafficking, anybody, my lord, it could, my lord, even be a passerby. My lord, here the officer doesn't do it. He files this complaint after the luxury of more than 20 days, saying that during my investigation, I have found out this, therefore you investigate.
What luxury?
My lord, after a lot, my lord, this seizure happens, this interception happens. What is the date of interception?
No. What luxury?
My lord, after my lord, interception, my lord, happens on a particular day. After that, my lord, I was taken to the ED office. My statements are recorded. Then I come before this honorable court. Then, my lord, after that, notices are issued. Thereafter, this complaint. And the complaint is based on, this is what my investigation under FEMA. During my investigation under FEMA, I have come to know these things. Therefore, you investigate. There is a possibility of UAPA.
Yes, Basuraj sir. Very
And gold seizure is there, my lord. My gold is seized. I raise a complaint.
So far as we are concerned, we have not even met accused number 2. The
You did not have the luxury of meeting.
No, we have not even met. The only allegation is that these cards, they're all in the name of one person only. All the debit cards are in the name of one Santosh Kumar or others. There is absolutely nothing to show or even allegation that we have met together or the cards were handed over to us for the purpose of withdrawing the money in India in respect of an international debit
They
card.
were all international debit card.
International
Every
debit
debit card is international. Yes.
And the association is with some Timothy initiative, the accused number 7. Timothy, it appears they were all exercising the power under Article 26. Let me be very clear. That is all. I just searched. Timothy equips local pastors to train up the next generation of disciples and leaders. They're all exercising power under Article 26.
The foundation for all this is that.
Yes. That I did not want to say that this appears to be.
I understand that our law of the land would not stand, my lord, that kind of, my lord. Yes, I understand that. They have absolutely no issue. If there is some kind of, my lord, a concrete or a stuffed information, my lord, against me, but not just because, my lord, some debit cards, my lord, can I not hold debit cards? I hold, my lord, at least 15 credit cards. Personally.
Why?
For my purpose, my lord.
15 credit cards.
Because, my lord, somebody had
You are personally holding 15.
Yes, my lord, if tomorrow, my lord, Shamsundar Singh is
Has 15 credit cards.
I have to be a bit careful.
ಒಂದೊಂದು ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಓ ಆ ತರ. So everyone know that you have 15 now.
credit cards.
ಅದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಬೇರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Ben, I did not tell anything else, sir. ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿ. ಅದು ಡೌಟ್.
But I have not even have any connection with you now. So, Milad, what ultimately what?
If they was something not concrete against, not blaming somebody for UAPA, not it cascades, not.
No. SPP ಅವರೇ. See, UAPA offense, if you allege against someone, he is marred for future completely. So you should be careful in registering, it's a serious offense.
If only had they checked the website, if only had checked the Google, but it is Article 26, both my lord, preaching and
No,
practicing and
Article
propagating.
26 will see, but UAPA offenses cannot spring from air. There should be some crores of rupees, you know.
Crores of rupees has been withdrawn. And allegation is that it's been withdrawn to fund the left extreme organization. Now the left extreme organization are banned organization on UAPA. If that is the allegation, once it's banned organization, the allegation against them, it's funding them. Therefore, it is an UAPA. It is not that it is thin hair. It has been,
Get the records.
I'll get the
Union records. How did you and which officer? He says it is a counter blast. Now, as both the senior counsels would put it, this family, if you are investigating, 66 cannot come in. Family, if you're investigating, something under PMLA, I think you can. If you have to convince me on that.
Your Lordship may reread that.
Yes.
The investigation started under FEMA because of the FEMA violations and the FCRA violations.
How much? What was the transaction? Foreign currency, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು?
The modus operandi is
ಈ ಕಡೆ, come on the mic.
there is a bank in US called as a Trust Bank.
United States of America.
States of America. And they're all the front-end operators in India. And they use the international debit cards in India to withdraw the foreign money and of 100 crores. And that has been
100 crores.
100 crores. It's been in the complaint. And that is what has been revealed during the investigations under FEMA. And that amount has been distributed in the state of Karnataka, Chhattisgarh and Assam in order to fund the left-wing extremists and to convince them. And
You have prima facie material for that?
Yes, that has, in fact, there is an FIR as we speak. There's one more FIR which has been registered in Chhattisgarh with regard to this. So therefore, my lords, it was necessitated by us in order to ensure that there is a fair investigation, because the company, the organization registered in Bangalore, and they're all operating from Bangalore also. So there was a case which was, under 66(2), Lordship, the information was shared. If my lords were to see section 66, 66 doesn't say it is only with respect to FEMA.
No, 66(2) say FEMA antalla. 66(2) says investigating under this act.
No, if I may read just for the benefit of this court, Lordship.
Yes. I may be wrong, but
66, Lordship. From the beginning, the director or any other authority specified by him or a general or special order in this behalf may furnish or cause to be furnished any officer, authority or body performing any function under any law relating to imposition of any tax, duty or cess or dealings.
Foreign exchange.
Foreign exchange comes. And therefore, my lords, I'll just read fully.
I will read. Sharing of information is on 2.
I will read. Sharing of information 2. Now, my lords, let me read. Not by.
We'll read 2, whether it is 2 or by.
May I read?
Yes.
Exchange or prevention of illicit traffic in the narcotics drugs, NDPS. Such other officer, authority or the body performing functions under any other law as the central government may, if in its opinion necessary to do so in this public interest, specify by notification in this behalf any information received or obtained by such director or any other authority specified by him in the performance of the functions under this act. As
Specified by him
in
the performance of their functions under this act.
This act, or as may be in the opinion of the director or other authority so specified by him be necessary for the purpose of the officer, authority, body. Next clause, my lords. If the director or any other authority specified in subsection 1 is of the opinion on the basis of the information or material in his possession that the provisions of any other law for the time being in force has been contravened, notwithstanding subsection 1, then the director or such other officer shall share the information. Now, this is what we have done.
No, please read.
This is what we have done.
Kindly read it. One second.
Shyam Sundar sir.
Madhu, this is learning of law.
Shyam Sundar sir, one ನಿಮಿಷ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಲಿ ತಾಳಿ ಅವರು. Even I am learning, wait.
Now, my lords, in respect of this, the information I said. Now, my lords, there was an investigation which was done under FEMA provisions with regard to utilization of the foreign exchange through the international debit cards. There was a search operations which were conducted under section 37. And in there was a LOC which was issued, and he was intercepted in the airport. And my lords, in the complaint, my lords, if my lords were to see that we have recovered some of the international debit cards, and we have got to know that he was distributing these debit cards more than thousands in numbers, which is forged in the name of certain other persons, which has also been given as a part of the complaint. Therefore, there is a forgery there is KYC norms misutilization, FCRA violation. Therefore, this was shared with the police with regard to registration of a complaint, Lordship.
All right, wait, Shyam
Kindly,
Sundar.
my lord, read, my lord, section 66.
Hmm.
The director or any other authority specified by him by a general or special order
Hmm.
this behalf may furnish or cause to be furnished to. That means,
Hmm.
my lord, the directors under the PMLA can give furnish to any other authority. My lord, it could be police, it could be income tax, it could be FEMA authorities, it could be DRI. My lord, two could be anybody, receiving could be, end could be anybody, but the originating end, my lord, is an authority who is investigating under the PMLA. My lord, section 66 cannot be stretched to, my lord, include that under whichever the law I am investigating, but still I will use section 66. My lord, it's not a civil procedure code section 151.
Even for the argument.
Wait, I'll get back.
That's all, my lord. This is not, my lord, an omnipotent provision or, my lord, general provision like civil procedure code 151.
What to do if you're omnipotent provision?
I understand that. But, my lord, any amount they have when they are conducting, my lord, investigation under the PMLA based on a predicate case, they come to know, my lord, I have also committed an offense under narcotics. They also come to know, my lord, I have murdered somebody. Then, my lord, that kind of, my lord, narcotic, they will inform NCB. My lord, local police in respect of other claim. Income tax violation to income tax authority. To maybe any authority, but the prerequisite is that you are conducting an investigation under the provisions of PMLA for an offense of money laundering, which, my lord, necessarily hinges upon a predicate case. Now, my lord, section 66 cannot say, I am acting under whatever the law, maybe FEMA, etc., etc. Still, I will do that. Now, my lord, kindly, my lord, look at the other way. Now, under FEMA, my lord, you have the authorities, and under FEMA, the authorities are bestowed, my lord, in conjuncture with the Income Tax Act. Now, if you are exercising powers under the Income Tax Act, because, my lord, FEMA says it, section 47. If you are exercising powers under the Income Tax Act, now what you have to do? Income tax authorities can also file complaint, because there have been instances, my lord, income tax authorities have filed complaints with Lokaayukta. Now, necessarily what happens? You are invoking the powers under the Income Tax Act, and you would culminate your inquiry proceedings, everything under the provisions of Income Tax Act. At the end of the day, you will end up filing a complaint under section 2A of CRPC. Well, this kind of a hybrid mixed procedure, well, that could be, well, this ground could be innocuous, because as your lordship rightly pointed out, if I come to know information of a crime, I need not to be, my lord, an officer. I can be, my lord, even a private.
So anybody can set the criminal law
Now,
information.
kindly look at the contents of the complaint, my lord. Contents of the complaint is not that generally, as a citizen of India, I am seeing a crime. He says, when I was exercising powers under the FEMA, I intercepted, confiscated debit cards, and my investigation has revealed that this is being used for this, my lord. It is based on that kind of, my lord, basis information. Now, he can't, my lord, introduce police into that and say, you investigate this part, then I will use it as a reverse predicate case for the purpose of maybe tomorrow, my lord, Mr. Madhu may be also, my lord, burdened with another ED case.
Avratha credit card illa ashtu bidi.
Allala, there will be one more ECIR, my lord, under PMLA, because now there is a predicate offense. For FEMA, yes. Now, for a predicate offense, we will also register an ECIR. This is going to be a garland of cases around my neck.
What?
Garland of cases around my neck. My lord, in fact, my lord, I would not go to all that, my lord. As my learned senior Mr. Basuraj said, please look at the contents, my lord. It all springs out of, my lord, a very hazy, my lord, suspicion, without even there being, my lord, any strong basis. My lord, they can't simply say that I open a cupboard, there is, my lord,
Skeleton.
a American viper, my lord, in the cupboard, therefore I am not going to open.
American viper.
Yes,
Hangandre?
this is how, my lord, they are hallucinating. Somebody is with a debit card. No, this must be being used for, my lord. Being a Christian preacher, it doesn't mean, my lord, he is supporting left-wing terrorism. And my learned friend said, these are the extremist groups which are banned. My learned friend, Mr. Prosecutor, said, my lord, under UAPA, there is a detailed procedure.
45.
By name.
Banning, I know.
Yes.
It can't be at the drop of the hat.
Yes, now they can't simply, my lord, you adopt a broader term, left-wing terrorist. Who is left-wing terrorist? Is there an organization operating under name and style? Have you banned it?
Yes, if they're in UAPA, scheduled organization.
I know,
45.
but left-wing terrorism
Yes.
is a generic expression.
45 organizations.
We will give a specific answer, not generic. Don't worry. Yes.
I'm not about this Timothy International, my lord, what my learned senior Mr. Basuraj said. It is an organization, my lord, engaged in certain charity works. Now, my lord, every rupee that was spent by hospitals, my lord,
So that's the problem. Your charity has no clarity. That is why they are there.
My lord, we'll
Yes.
clarify that. Let them, my lord, pick even my lord, a single strand of a strong evidence that we are supporting left wing. What are we doing? My lord? Are we trying to supply arms to them? Absolutely not.
We don't know.
My lord, if somebody
Don't
is without food,
We don't
we
know.
seen, my lord, a Christian missionary goes and, my lord, gives them food. Is it, my lord, supporting us?
Everybody gives, sir.
I don't know, my lord. I
Yes.
don't know, my lord. This could be, my lord, a very exaggerated way of, my lord, being paranoid.
That's why it is unusual case.
I know that.
Oh.
There has to be some limit for being paranoid, my lord, against the citizens like this. I'm sorry, my lord. Let them, my lord, respond to this.
Paranoid.
My lord, this entire complaint, my lord, is nothing but a
You
cynicism.
want a response to that?
It is nothing but cynicism. It is nothing but cynicism.
Only one submission. It is not the international credit cards which have been used, debit cards. That means, no, there is a restriction.
Sir,
They are rate
you
of
may have a lamentable catalog of problems,
My lord,
but we are.
somebody's tax-paid money, my lord. Any money which is used, dispensed by way of, my lord, a bank
Lord, this
card,
is a foreign,
debit
this is
card or a credit card, it is somebody's tax-paid money, my lord. Could there be
Not
somebody
from
still
US.
daring to spend their tax-paid money
100 crores.
whatsoever? My lord, there is a hospital, my lord, to be on the light. There is a hospital, my lord, in Hyderabad. Till today, my lord, every penny of it is funded by French government. French government. Not even a single penny is taken. And the treatments are, my lord, better than, my lord, any other private facility.
How do you know?
My lord, in fact, my lord, some of my friends have told that. Now, my lord, just because there is an organization, there is a facility which is catering to the citizens, is being funded by somebody legally, my lord. Now, if there is an organization in a foreign country sends money here through a legal channel for the purposes of, my lord, illegality, then, my lord, hold my collar, put me onto the gallows. I don't mind. Now, you can't.
No, they have taken the first step now.
I don't know, my lord. I don't think, my lord,
Yes.
will be able to succeed in
There are about
Honorable
45.
ಈಗ allegation ನಿಮ್ಮ two ಏನು one
2 to 6.
1, 2 to 6 ಮೇಲೆ you are holding debit cards ಅಂತ.
No,
Or these cards
I
were
have
to be
not
given to you.
I have not even met Mr. Shyam Sundar. Oh. Forget it. I do not think that any amount was withdrawn, even by accused number 2. I don't think that any amount was ever
Shyam
withdrawn.
Sundar sir is client is accused number 2.
Yes, he was the person who was, caught with the debit card.
Now, accused number 1 is somebody else.
He is appearing for accused number 1.
Yes, accused number 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's what. How are they in relation?
My lords, para number 3 of the complaint, my lords. This 17th petition, the serial number 17 petitioner, my lords, he was the person who has possessed the 24 debit cards, and when the search operations were conducted, my lords, we came to know that he has made multiple trips, and also he was the main person who is organizing in India. And, my lords, to avoid suspicion, my lords, what he has made, he has concealed the real user of the KYC norms. He has forged it in the name of another person.
Yaar do accused number 1.
Please. And we are given it as an annexure to the complaint also. And 1,000 such debit cards, he was instrumental in distributing it, lordship.
ನಾವು ಏನು ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
KYC is not even applicable to
ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
FIR ಆಗಿರೋದು 11ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು.
UAPA ಗೆ ಬೇಲ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
UAPA ಗೆ ಬೇಲ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ.
like, my lord, no anticipatory bail in UP. We have to come before, my lord, to protect it. No anticipatory bail.
But once
Alla.
UAPA is involved, my lord, your lordships are aware, it's practically impossible.
No,
That's the
UAPA
only
will not
reason.
get bail.
That
My lord,
appears.
my lord, may I just make this concession? Let them investigation. We'll go and sit in the police station. Lord, we'll not conceal anything. We'll keep ourselves.
Will not concede anything.
We'll not conceal anything. my lord.
Conceal.
Yes, we will give all the cooperation. Let them come to all our places. But there should not be, my lord, a labeling of me as, my lord, handcuffed accused, my lord, for UAPA. That
ಯಾರು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಈಗ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನಾದ್ರು ನಮಗೇನು ವೈಲೆನ್ಸ್ DNS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎನ್ಕಫ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎನ್ಕಫ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು.
ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
But we can only attack with the cross in our hand, like Moses, holding the 10 commandments. 10 commandments.
15 or 16 kg iron made crosses, my lord, with something hidden under that.
We are like Moses holding 10 commandments and attacking these people.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ submission. Heard the learned senior counsel M.S. Shyam Sundar appearing for the petitioner in petitioner hyphen accused number 2, and learned senior counsel S. Basavaraj appearing for accused 1, 3 to 6 in serial number
45.
In serial number 45. Madhu, ನೀವು ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
Complainant.
ನೀವೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್?
R2.
Enforcement. And Madhu and Rao representing the complainant and the learned SPP B and Jagdish representing the state. Records, Sally?
I'll play.
Give the records. Heard reserved, but till I pronounce, don't precipitate. Yes. ಅದು ಹೇಳಿರಿ. Till I pronounce, don't precipitate the matter. I'll not take ages, we'll do it fast.
That's for R1 lordship.
R1 ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, yes.
Greatly.
Yes. Review, ಹೇಳಿ sir.
Review petition. There are 3 submissions to make, my lord. Lord, one, my lord, on the point of local health, my lord has indicated. Lord, second.
One.
My lords may take my review petition for a moment. The 6 dates, my lord, which I want to convey to my lords. Lord, the present petitioner, my lord, files a suit, my lord, against one Chikkamuniyappa in the year 2007.
ಅದು ಏನಾರ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಸೂಟು. ಈಗ ನಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಹೋಗಿ ಈಗ.
Lord, now what has happened, my lord? They have relinquished the rights over the suit property in my favor way back in the year 2007.
Lord, that would go to the root of the matter. My learned friend should argue.
Merit ಮೇಲ್ ಬೇಡ sir. I am not on merit. Now I passed an order.
Please.
I passed an order in your presence. All right, that it has to go before 23(3)(a) ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. It was a compromise entered into in the court of law. Then now you come up after that there is another proceeding happening. That compromise decree is annulled. All right.
That came to be challenged. Please.
ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹೇಳಿ. Compromise decree is annulled. That comes to be challenged before Justice Narendra Prasad. He sets it aside, sends it back. Now the issue is at writ large there only. Even if I want to do it, I would do the same thing. Why all this? You are agitating there, I continue that. Subsequent development agila andidre it should be seen. In your presence, I have passed that order.
Please. Lord, subsequent developments.
What is the prejudice that is caused to you? I will also set aside the compromise and send it back to the same court.
Lord, way back in the year 2007, they have
that is on merit of the matter. You can argue that there. Now it is, everything is writ large there.
Please. But may I submit this, my lord, with respect to the maintainability of Order 23 Rule 3A, that question may be kept open and matter may be sent back to trial.
That is already, another order is passed and order is challenged before the coordinate bench. The coordinate bench has set it aside and sent it back to be heard on merits. Now if I give you a liberty to put the clock back, no.
Maintainability of Order 23 Rule 3 application may be kept open. That I'll urge before the trial.
No, sir, that is already, I have already decided it. Where is the question? Then I'll be reviewing my order indirectly.
I'll make the submission before the trial court.
No, I'll pass an order. You can take it.
Lord, apart from this, my lord, I have 2 submissions.
Merits ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು. Apart from
one more factor which I want to bring to my lord's notice. My lord, 2007 when they executed a relinquished deed in my favor, my lord, they filed a separate suit challenging the compromise decree which was entered in my favor.
That's on merit, sir. Please agitate.
The coordinate bench of this honorable court has dismissed their appeal with a cost of
take
1 lakh.
that ground there. Take all contentions are always available to be taken.
So that maintainability question may be kept open.
Maintainability, then I will be reviewing my order. Not on maintainability. On merits, there is already an order passed by the coordinate bench to be heard on merits. Can I override that by this order? What, sir?
The coordinate bench says, my lord, with respect to that application where they filed for recalling of the compromise and for the impleading application, I was not heard. So you go back and you.
That's all. To hear ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. not maintainable ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Now because of this order, my lord.
And there also you are the petitioner.
I am the plaintiff number 1.
You are the plaintiff. All right. Please. Have you urged all that there?
My lord, I was not made a party and now I made a party. It's coming up.
ಈಗಲ್ಲ, before Justice Narendra Prasad, have you said so?
Please, my lord, I have said.
ಏನಂತ?
That I was not served. Now I filed a review petition. Review petition is pending ಅಂತ.
You review serve ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. You are heard in the matter. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Question may be kept open.
That I can't.
My lord, coordinated bench of this court, my lord, after I filed this review petition, an appeal came to be filed, my lord, by the mother and daughter. That appeal came to be dismissed, holding that you have already relinquished your rights.
No, you listen. Even if I will revive this ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, I will set aside the compromise, send it back to the regular court. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. You want another proceeding of that kind apart from the coordinate bench? What is this? ಏನ್ sir? The petitioner is before the court calling in question, seeking review of an order dated 3rd September 2025. The order reads as follows. before entering upon the merit of the review, reads as follows, page 11 to 20. It is not the case of the petitioner, the review petitioner, that he was not heard in the matter. He was heard in the matter, contested, and then the order is passed. The subsequent development to the said order is, an application is filed by the respondent who was the petitioner in writ petition 16046 of 2024, seeking setting aside of the compromise. Without hearing the present review petitioner, it transpires that the concerned court set aside the compromise decree that was drawn. This comes to be challenged by the present review petitioner before the coordinate bench. Before the coordinate bench in writ petition 7539 of 2026. Before the coordinate bench, the contention was that while setting aside the compromise decree pursuant to the order passed by this court, the review petitioner was not heard. On that score, the coordinate bench sets aside the said order of withdrawing of the sets aside the order of setting aside the compromise decree dated 17/2/2026 and directs the parties to appear before the concerned court, and the matter is now at large before the concerned court being contested. After all these proceedings, the petitioner now comes up with a review petition contending that the compromise was not entered into before the concerned court, but the court had referred the matter to the Lok Adalat, and it had and the compromise was entered in the Lok Adalat and recorded before the concerned court. The said proceeding itself stands covered by the judgment rendered by the coordinate bench in Akkamaile, so and so. Be that as it may, in the light of the subsequent development of the parties being before the court, which it had to be agitating their rights, there is no warrant to entertain the review petition. Any entertainment of a review petition in the teeth of the aforesaid submissions would run foul of the judgment of the apex court in the case of that 2013 80 CC page 320 para 20.1 20.2. Yes.
Great.
Leaving open all the contentions to be urged before then
All contentions will be kept open.
Yes.
Apart from this question, all contentions will be kept open.
Yes. Otherwise available, I don't. Yes.
Great. Next.
19.
My lord, this is a petition.
It's a petition.
Information Technology Act.
Oh, IT Act.
Wherein the sub-inspector has investigated the matter prohibited by law under section 78.
Yes, SPP or Barak ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Yes, sir.
No, it's only FIR has been registered. Investigation will happen.
The investigation has charge sheet has been
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ.
19.
The ground is an incompetent inspector, incompetent police personnel has investigated the matter.
At page number 46.
Pass over madla.
ಇಲ್ಲ 46 my lord, your lordship may see. CW 38.
CW 38 is the IO.
Yes my lord. Police inspector.
38 is not my lordship.
38 yaru.
38 is the one who has filed the charge sheet. He's not the investigation.
Yeah, that is SH officer in charge of the police station. Investigation yaar.
34, 35 and 36.
Ultimately charge sheet came to be filed by
that maybe, but investigation not by ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನೇ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಾಗಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಏನೋ ತುಂಬಾ ಬಿಸಿ ಇದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬ ಅಂತ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಾರ.
In the entire charge sheet, your lordship, every single paper is being recorded by the sub-inspector who is the investigation officer. Is that the judgments, your honor?
37 is police nirikshakaru. Now I won't dispute that legal position, but
ಅಲ್ಲ legal position will not dispute, but
CW 37 is police nirikshakaru.
No, your lordship, 37 has issued notice to the bank only. He is not investigation officer.
How do you demonstrate who has conducted investigation?
Your lordship, if I may take your lordship's kind attention to page number 46. Lordship 34, Shri Mohan Police or Nirikshar.
34.
34, CW 34.
ಉಪನಿರೀಕ್ಷಕರು
ಉಪನಿರೀಕ್ಷಕರು.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್.
Sub inspector. He has done the tanike, Your Honor. On the right side column.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಇವರು ಪ್ರಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾನ್ಯ
ಕಲಂ
ACP ಅವರು ಕಲಂ 168 ಅಂತೆ ತನಿಖೆಯನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಆರೋಪಿ ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ರ ತನಿಖೆ.
35.
He's only traveled based on an instruction of the ACP. He's traveled to that places.
Not traveled, entire investigation is conducted by him.
35 is again the next
34,
one.
35, 36 as the police sub inspector conducted the part
Sub-inspectors
investigation.
who has conducted the investigation. 34, 35, 36, Your Lordship. And 37 is a police inspector who is not an investigation officer but has sent the notice to the bank only. ಇವರು ಪ್ರಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ
38 ಯಾರು?
38 is the one who has filed the charge sheet.
That is officer in charge of the police
Officer in charge. It
station.
could be a constable as well.
That has to be, yes. Who conducts investigation is not important, but under 173(8), it is only the officer in charge of the police station who has to file the charge sheet. Not a problem, but investigation ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
No, they have assisted. Of course, CW 30, 34, 35, 36 have assisted the investigation. I'm not disputing it. But we cannot say, my lord, that nobody else apart from inspector can do anything in this case.
Indeed, Your Lordship.
That is not.
Assisting investigation is fine. Conducting investigation is another thing.
In fact, no, he says that no, under 168.
Conduct of
direction has been
investigation, yes, will be. Iga, for example, we appoint an SIT. SIT will take assistance. SIT will be an IPS officer. The SIT will take assistance of an inspector of police to conduct investigation, report it. That does not mean that SIT only has to go and do it. But here it is a mechanism under law.
Lordship, 168 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ACP has given a direction for them to do XYZ work, and that is what they have discharged. Here with 34 and 35, 36.
And IT Act today. There, he shall, where any subordinate has conducted investigation.
And there are no exceptions, Your Lordship. According to section 78, in SC/ST Act, there are certain exceptions that have been given to the investigation officers. In the IT Act, there are no exceptions. It is a prohibition for a sub-inspector to conduct the investigation.
Offences are only under the IT Act?
Offences are under IT Act and the IPC. IPC of...
Amalgamation.
Your Lordship, I have
It's an amalgam of two, sir.
Indeed, indeed. Your Lordship, I have a judgment to that effect as well.
Wait, we'll see. All right, we'll thrash this out.
Next week
We'll take it. The petitioner is before the court on a jurisdictional issue. He would take this court through the documents appended to the petition to prima facie demonstrate that under section 168 of the CRPC, the investigation cannot be handed over to an incompetent authority as described under the Information Technology Act. In terms of section 78,
78, Your Lordship.
In terms of section 78 of the IT Act, the investigation must be carried out by a police officer not less than the rank of an inspector. 160, therefore, however, it cannot be brushed aside that the offense in the case at hand is an amalgam of IPC and IT Act.
Your Lordship, if I can convince on that, I have a division.
One nimisha, sir. IT Act. The issue needs an answer, notwithstanding the fact of several. Yalla ide court da. The issue would require an answer. List the matter on 24th in the fresh matters list. Further proceedings till the next date shall remain stayed.
Much of that.
Yes. When we have to answer, we have to state.
Indeed. Grateful, Your Lordship.
Yes.
20.
My lord, deep freeze. My lord, yesterday.
Deep freeze.
Yesterday's matter, my
Temporary.
lords, where
Why I put in deep freeze?
is seeking. Where
Seeking
my
the
lords,
deep freeze, my lord.
19 my lords transactions are involved.
My lord.
One account in the 19 cases have sprung andre deep freeze
My lord.
ಕೊಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
My lord,
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
my lord, all the 19 cases out of 19 cases, 18 cases are lean mark, my lord. Only this.
ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಲೀನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
I am praying that only, ma.
ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್.
I defreeze the.
ಕೊಡಿ, ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಲೀನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಕೊಡಿ. The petitioner is before this court seeking the following.
If these accounts have been used to continue the offense, my lord, defreezing may not.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 19ರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿ.
My lord.
ಅದು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಬೇಕಾರೆ. ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು 2:30.
Whether it is.
Pass over. 2:30. Yes.
21.
Lien mark ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Yes, Sachin. Where is Sachin?
ಧಾರವಾಡ.
ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ. ಶಿವಸಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ.
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ offense 71A to G.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀಲಗಿರಿ ಮರನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Unless they show it.
ಅದೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅದೇನೆ.
We have already, my lords, there is a notice that was.
ನೀವು ಕಡಿದಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
Lords, in survey number, my lords, 215/4 of 3 acres. My lords, this is a letter, my lords, that is given to KSFIC, my lords. At the time of incident, they have given a notice, my lords, saying these are the offences that are alleged against you. I replied to them, my lords, saying this. Lords, the police have not conducted any investigation till date. Now, my lords, there is no question of me going to them and my lords now saying that, yes, this is the, lords, this is the letter.
Well, now we will, in fact, my lord, we have what has to be done is already been done. We have initiated proceedings. Proceedings have been culminated in by the order. Now the FOC will automatically close because of this order. If he agreed by this order, he has to file a revision petition before the sessions court.
Lords, that order, my lords, were not
ನೋಡಿ.
aware of.
This no longer survives.
Lords, looking.
ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್.
Lords, my.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನಾಳೆ.
Yes.
ನಾಳೆ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್.
22.
Post immediately after service of notice upon the respondent. Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Continues. Next.
23.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ? Interim order ಇಲ್ವಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
Please, no, this is
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
the first time it is.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್
Yes.
ಕೊಡಿ.
Let this, a crime number, my lord, 7 was registered against the petitioner. Annexure B, page 28, my lord. For the offences under section 379, 409, 420.
MMDR.
Please, my lord, MMDR Act and also our IPCs. My lord, after investigation, final report is filed. Your lordship may kindly see the final report is page 46, my lord. Para 2, my lord.
ಏನ್ ಮೈನೂರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು?
My lord, it's about total export is my lord, is around 4 lakh and odd.
ಇದು SIT ನ
4,60,000.
SIT ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Like now, state government, my lord, they filed the final report, P report. Let the court.
No
issue
problem. Supreme Court direct ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ it is gone before the
State
SIT.
government directs, my lord. I have challenged annexure A.
Wait. Yes.
Kindly see annexure
One
A.
the SPP ನೇ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. The land HCGP is directed to accept notice for the first respondent. The SPP ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ನ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? Judicial order ಬೇಡ ತಾನೆ? The learned counsel BS Prasad is directed to accept notice for the second respondent. Petitioner to serve complete set of papers upon the aforesaid counsel. Tuesday, fresh matters.
Please. He's insisting us to be present.
ಯಾರು?
A final report is filed. The government says you reopen this and reinvestigate the matter.
We'll see. Yes, Tuesday. Next.
24.
Lord, 138. I am not even signatory nor director for only 2 days.
Meantime, heard the learned counsel R. Nagendra Nayak appearing for the petition. Yes. Covered by Alka. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? 2021 4 SSC 475. Yes. Next.
The petitioners are the farmers, not initially brought.
Farmers.
Yes, sir. The grantees of the land in the year 1986. The entire proceedings was.
SLAO ನಾ? ನೀವು SLAO ನಾ?
ನಾನು grantees, original.
SLAO ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದು ಕೊಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Yes.
He was at that point of time, he was the SLAO.
We'll see. ಎರಡು tag along with so and so, same order. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ. Less the matter on ಡೇಟ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವತ್ತೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Yes. SLAO ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. Yes.
Great.
26.
Praveen.
The accused Allegation as under 69 BNS.
69.
69 BNS.
Ah.
Accused number 1 is an advocate.
Advocate,
Victim-
complainant or client?
No,
Then-
she is an intern practicing in an advocate's office.
Promised to marry an intern advocate?
Please.
Oh.
Now the petitioners are parents and sister of accused number 1. If my lords to appreciate ink page number 28, please my lord, there was a complaint by me.
Is it not a heinous crime on the part of the advocate?
My lord, as far as
You
accused number 1.
having all this, the
Accused
intern?
number 1 is concerned, please my lord, subject to investigation.
Hmm.
When it comes to accused number 2, 3 and
ಅಲ್ಲ
4.
parents ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡಿ.
Parents and sister, please my lord, sister accused number 4.
How old are you?
I am 29 years.
Accused number 1.
Please.
ಯಾರಿದು? Advocate ಇವರು.
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. Page 28 be looked into, please my lord. There is a complaint given by me dated 19/5.
ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ ಬಿಡಿ. ಹಾ. 28
please.
ಏನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್?
In terms of harassment, blackmailing me
ಯಾರು?
the complainant,
Hmm.
the so-called victim girl, with making use of the
How long was
photographs.
she your intern?
She has been intern in my senior's office for a period of 6 months or more, please.
Hmm.
I leave my office, I join some other office, complaint came to be filed.
You leave the office, sir.
Please, the accused number 1 comes out from that particular office and joins a different office. Subsequently, the affair.
You did not take her with you?
No,
Oh,
she was not an advocate.
yes. ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಅವ್ರವ್ರೇನೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ. The offense, the petitioners are accused.
2 to 4, please.
2 to 4. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇವರು?
ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ತಂಗಿ.
ಹಾ. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಆಯ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ?
ತಂಗಿ.
The petitioners are the mother, father and sister of accused number 1. Accused number 1 is an advocate. Accused number 1 develops friendship and relationship with an intern in his office. The relationship appears to have become physical as well. All on the pretext of alleged promise of marriage. The accused number 1 advocate leaves the office and joins another. The intern registers the subject complaint. The perusal at the complaint would indicate all acts between accused number 1 and the complainant. Parents and the sister of accused number 1 are dragged into an offense under section 69 of the BNS, which BNS without them having any role except a bald allegation of the parents and the sister hurling abuses against the complainant. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of all investigation. Que the accused number 2 to 4. It's made clear the investigation que accused number 1 is not stayed and shall continue. Yes.
27.
498, my lord. Accused number 2 and 3 are in-laws.
2 and 3, my lord.
In-laws.
Not before the court.
22 and 3. Jai, 85, 2 and 3. Husband is not before the court. Yes.
28.
Challenging the provisional attachment order.
Good. Role reversal.
Role reversal.
Yes.
Yes, sir. The provisional attachment order
Now
is.
you have a tough time. Yes.
My lord, Annexure A, page number 26 is the provisional attachment.
What's the reason?
The reason is that, my lord, this property has been attached under the pretext of value equivalent, that is value thereof as defined in 21U. My lord, that particular concept has been considered in Pavna Dibur, and any property which has acquired prior to the commission of the schedule offense, that particular property cannot be the subject matter of the provisional attachment order. That is what has been held
Correct,
in Pavna
Allah?
Dibur.
Then we'll state.
Absolutely correct. No, my lord, the facts, law
51, my lord.
Ah.
The reasoning starts from at page number 48, the discussion by the ED, page number 48, my lord.
ನೀವು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನಿನಾ?
No, no, I'm not Dodmani. Soumya, who is the wife of another accused and also an accused in the predicate offense. Page number 48, my lord.
Can we take this tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow in the fresh matters list.
Yes, my lord, I will just place some
Padi.
judgments on record, my lord. It may be taken on.
No, law she is not disputing at all, only on facts. So the issue now boils down to facts.
Yes.
Yes. If the facts